Vicky. No, no. What kind of a dream is this? Asam. No, now. No, now. It cannot be Amaka. Amen. Dikeh. It's a bad dream. It's a bad dream. No, no. No, now. It's not possible.
Fire, 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 royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam, bam. Anything you dare talk, now your matter.
Oh my word, who would do this rubbish? How am I supposed to pass? I don't even have any guard with me. Am I supposed to pick this nonsense? What?
I'm not telling you I'll catch you.
Did you do this because of me?
I'm not telling you if I catch you, I go wound you. You no fear, you tear my papa slap you. You no fear.
Hey, listen, I am not caught up for your madness, okay? Just take this out. I have somewhere I am rushing to. Please.
Ma clear you and you go collect woto today. I go wound you. People go hear this cause. Your minds go dead. What? You tear my papa slap. That man, I need to use and play. You enter my house, tear my papa slap.
Oh, what kind of rubbish is this? I'm not even with any guard.
You don't be. How do you want your punishment? How do you want your beating? Because I go beat you today. I go wound you.
Do you want to flog me? Are you forgetting that I am the princess? You want to embarrass me?
You see the talk, Abi? I don't get time for plenty talk. How do you want your punishment? Choose now. For your hand or for your back. Fast.
You want to flog me? God!
This time they follow you play. Choose fast.
Calm down. Be calming down. Chinwendu.
Where do you want it?
My ass. My bum bum bum. Please take it easy. It's quite expensive.
One lie down fast. Lie on the car. Fast.
Slow down. Please just take it easy, okay?
Fire, royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam, bam. Anything you dare talk.
Lie! Don't explain to give me that back. I go wound you. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
I'm going to die.
Come this way.
Well, let me explain. Please calm down.
I don't vex me. I don't vex you.
I'm going to
Lie down. Lie down. What's in the Why? Okay, you're the man. What did I for here? What did I stop for this place? What did I man am I living now? What is this? I go break on my head. Stop them and call it one day.
Your mouth. This your spelling mouth where you use the
My queen, I cannot release that very land to the royal house for any amount, for any penny, not even for any reason. Because that land is my birthright land. And I intend that my son inherits it the way I inherited it from my father. There are certain lands you don't sell in a family. Out of my good heart, I gave your husband, the late king, a plot of land very close to this very one, as a gift on his coronation. And now, years later, you are inviting me to the palace that I sell the remaining land of my family to you? No way.
Ichie, you're saying rubbish. You will do it. You will hand that land over to us. Yes, you will.
Young man, watch your tongue. Am I your mate? What is going on here? I am a nobleman in this great kingdom, and I deserve some respect.
Oh, shut up, you useless man. You deserve no respect. Respect is only for the rich and royalty. Now listen, I don't need your permission to take that land from you, but you must give that land to us. Else you will not like what I will do to you. I am not joking. Foolish man.
Quindora, and you're here, your children are insulting me? Where is that manner and respect that we command in this great kingdom?
Oh, spare me that nonsense. You're nothing compared to us. You will sell that land, Ichi.
Alright. I want you to push me. I want to let you know that that land is not for sale and you will not have it. Hey!
Oh, you must sell it.
Nonsense.
Okonkwo.
You must sell it!
Walking out of me.
That is nonsense. Nonsense! No, I will not sell my land. Can you imagine the prince and the princess? They want me to sell my land? Let me die. I will not sell that land. My son must build on that land. I will not sell the land. You cannot force me to sell my land. No.
What nonsense? Are we going to beg? Are we going to beg for what is ours?
Mother, I've had enough of this man. I do not want to be pushed to the wall. Because when I do, I will handle it my way. And I'm certain none of you here will like it. Talk to that man. We need that land. Of course, you know what we'll gain if we have that land. You know the worth of that land? We'll make out millions from it. Gosh. Talk to him. Else, I will do it Adure's way. And my way is always dangerous.
Mother, listen to me. You are the queen of this land. And you have the final say. We won't take that from that man. No, we won't.
Adure, I need you to summon the elders. I need to speak with them now.
I'll do that right away.
I feel like squeezing this man. I feel like killing him right now. How dare he walk out on you, the queen of this land? That has never happened before. I feel like killing him.
Relax, son. I am still on top of this game, you know. Okonkwo, you want to test the substance I'm made of, right? Very well then. You will feel it.
Hey, customer.
Good morning, pretty.
I don't tell make they call me pretty. My name is Wendy.
But you know you're a pretty lady, right?
Oh.
Anyways, I got something for you. Just give me a minute. So, this is for you.
Hey! Chimo. Chimo, this man, you don't use style they win my heart too.
I decided to stop by and give that to you.
Wait, I want to ask you one question. Why be say every time when you dey pass, you must branch give me gifts?
Because I like you and I see a wife in you.
Wife, I beg, I no find reach all these city girls, so all those girls where they hot, I no near them.
Chewindu, you know you are so hilarious. So, half all my food now. Is it ready?
Indomie don't ready. Remain egg. Just give me some more time. I go fry egg.
Oh, well, I trust you. I know you're a very good cook.
Yes. But what you dey yarn like this? I don't understand. Say Queen Adora wants our land, your birthright land. Bomb there ahead, she dey mad.
I don't know. She has been disturbing me concerning that land. I don't know what is there. I don't know why she wants that land, but she wouldn't let me rest.
She no collect that land, you no go fit sup. Papa tell you say make you not dash her husband land the other time. You no agree, you go dash them. Now they want another land. I don't understand. I go fight oh. No, war go burst oh. In fact, I dey come.
Wait. Where are you going?
I won't go that palace. I won't go clear that stupid queen. Say because you keep quiet, not me say you know they bite. You fit bite. We fit bite. We fit destroy. They go no say person come there and they come.
It has not got into that. Come back.
Come
back,
Papa, they come.
Papa. If I knew I should have just kept quiet.
So this has been happening.
It's been happening. I've stopped having good sleep. They want to buy the land. I don't know why.
Nothing happened now. They cannot take the land from us now. It's not possible now, Papa. Anyway, Papa, we need to go and pay Amaka's dowry. Since she'll be coming back from NYSC camp.
Something got wrong with you. We are talking something very serious. You are digressing into something else.
Papa, this one is also serious now. It's also serious. I had a very terrible dream the other time. I don't want things to go sideways now. You know, it's been long now. I don't want anything to happen. Because
I want to face my problem. So just leave me alone.
Papa, this is
I said leave me alone.
It's not fair. It's also a problem. It's not fair.
Okay, something you are talking about. Leave me alone. I said leave me alone.
We should go now, Papa. What are you saying? We should go and do this thing now. It's also very important. Because
That thing where you want make
Papa.
it happen tomorrow. She is ready for the thing today. She know the
Come on for road. Okay. I see what is going on. Wow. Wonderful. Last month, una knock my papa elephantiasis. I use all the money when I get from my business to treat the man. As if that was not enough. Last week here, una knock am ulcer. We see they manage the ulcer. I don't catch enough for here. Una don dey plan now, una will carry my papa land, give this wicked queen. E no go work for now. E no go sup if e sup Macbeth, the wine. The land is very big. In fact, my father has the biggest land in this village. I know, it enter on the eye. The land is very large. It come wide, join. Everybody knows that my papa get that land. Even the neighboring village knows that Okonkwo get that land. You see that land? It don't be you. That land, we no go sell am. We no go rent am. Even to dash you, we no go try am. No think am. Avoid that land, this queen. I not well, oh. Come on for this place. I will blow your eye. Leave this place before I behead you. Leave this palace now. Oh, you could do that thing. Guards, if they try am, I go blow their eye. If I want come out, I will come out here without anybody ordering me. Don't think you be queen for your pocket. Guards, but they put body now. See the people wey they call guards, they be. You know they would feed. They would be like Washoko. If you tear that shirt now, bones go for ground. You know they get yourself, oh. Avoid my papa land. No see, I don't warn you. Because the next time when I go catch you for that place, your blood go touch ground. You're mad.
She is guaranteed.
My queen, we can't allow her go just like that. What boldness, what audacity, just like that.
Suppose in on anger.
If you think you the crazy.
Urgent. Her Majesty must do something about this. So,
see, my eyes is on that percentage. Let those communication companies come and mount to their pole or mask, whatever is being called. Let me collect my percentage. That's all.
Do you know how much we are talking about? 120 million.
Ubwego.
Huh?
Ubwego.
If this deal is sealed up, I know no fail.
Nah, Susie koto. Ana Susie koto.
Jesus!
Evil men! Lazy Okeyens! Suzuwe! Witches! So Nana plan, Abi? Una want make the queen come fight us, Abi? Is that your plan?
Come. Do you want to stab us? Do you want to stab us with bottle? It's like she has started smoking lately. Do you know what we are discussing here? You just jump out from nowhere. You want to come and stab us?
Mark, you're not well. Go ask question. I'm not normal. You dey feel me? If anything happen to my papa, if I find my papa for this kingdom, I swear to God, una children go dey miss one by one. Go tell the queen that's why I talk. Oh, this my ear no dey hear peace. You dey feel me? This my ear no dey hear peace word. Send my message to the queen. Make she punk me. Oh, say I dey say indomie. No miss, I no know what I dey do. I brutal. I dangerous. You dey feel me? I'm not normal. I'm not well. Go ask question. Tell your queen to avoid me and my family. Make she avoid my papa land. Otherwise, it go be for Ramo. I brutal. If I start this war, the war don't go finish.
But that's exactly what we are trying to do. We are trying to tell the queen to leave your father's land alone.
Exactly.
And that's what we are saying here.
Exactly. But let me ask you, why do you always see us, your uncles, as evil men? Why?
Because now they're evil. You think you go fit fool me? You cannot fool me. You people are very evil. I just give you a sample. Next time, dead body go surplus. Send my message to your queen to avoid me and my family. Warn your queen. I'm not normal.
Hey, come. Hey, I thought her mother used to be the only mad woman in her family. This one, na case. In fact, let's look away.
Oji, we have to kill this young.
Kill what?
Yes, we want to do. We need to do something. Do you know I fear her more than her father? Can you imagine? Okwa one knock yesterday. Okay, no now.
Nah,
My love, I'm ready with whatever you want. I'm ready to be called your wife. I mean, after everything you and your family did for me, I can't be an ungrateful fool. You've done a lot. I'm not marrying you because of what you did for me. It's not a payback. You know I love you already.
Of course I do.
I'm marrying you because I love you and I want to say thank you for what you've been doing for me.
Oyoyo. Pinam. Asang. Asabekin. Amen.
So you know that dream is invalid. Yes, remove it from your mind, your brain, your heart. See what you do. Tell your father you should bring his kinsmen. She'll just come and pay my bride price. My mother and my brother, they're ever ready.
Really?
Yes.
You know I love you, right?
I love you too.
I love you so much. I don't know what I can do without you. My love.
Alright, so come let me escort you to the shop.
But you said you are tired.
But that will not stop me from escorting you to the shop. Baby, what of that place you submitted my CV? Have they called you?
Yeah. The thing is that our boss traveled, yeah? He went to the US. But he promised as soon as he's back into the country, he will give you a call. Or call me. Either ways, once he's back, he will call.
Okay. Because me, I'm tired though. You should call me. I'm tired of staying in this house.
Relax. You call.
Okay. So, the Lagos apartment, go.
Yes, about that. The agent, I don't know what's wrong with this agent. So. I've been calling this guy every blessed day. What is happening? What's happening? He's saying today, tomorrow. Like, he said I should call him back later today. That it's either going to work out today or tomorrow. I don't know. I'm even getting tired already.
Maybe we'll change agent too.
I don't know.
Or shall I give him call this evening? If he's not saying something good, you change agent.
Abi?
Now there are so many agents in Lagos now.
Anyway, that's story for another day.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. I will go to your sister's place. From your shop to your sister's place.
You're not going...
I want to eat Indomie.
What are you talking about?
The best Indomie in town. Please, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, yo.
I said I want to know your place. Do you know who is standing right before you? This is the princess of Umwenze Kingdom talking to you. Listen, I like you. Okay? Fine boy. I want us to go to your place. I want to talk to you in your house. I want us to be more than business associates.
Can you please pull that off, please?
Are you stupid? You don't have respect? Are you mad? I will take this because I like you. Listen, I like you. Okay? I want you to drive to your house while I follow suit. And that's final. Why are you looking at me? Say something. I know you like me, okay? Just say something nice to me and we're good. Just go.
What do you want from me? Is it a crime that I came to the palace to advertise the land to your mom? What is my offense?
And you caught my fantasy. Do you know you should be singing hallelujah to the Almighty right now? For standing close to the princess, a diamond like me. You're so stupid. Anyway, let's go.
Princess Adore, or what you call yourself. I don't care. I'm not interested in you, and please, this should be the last time you contact me for this. Please.
Is this a warning? Huh? Are you... Did you just talk to me like this? Listen, I like you. Get to your car, let's go.
I said I'm not interested, okay? If it's not business, do not stop me, okay? This will be the last time I'll warn you about this.
You want to hit me? No, come hit me! Have you seen the crazy person today? No way. Come back here.
Can you leave the road? I need to leave now. What is your problem? What is your problem? Huh? Can you please leave? I need to go. What is your problem?
Come drive off. Let me see.
No, that is just that brother. You won't stop. That is you always follow. But I know one day things must turn around. Yes, Leon.
Shima, what are you doing in my house?
Where is your daughter?
Why are you requesting my daughter?
Now listen to me. If I see your daughter 10 meters close to the palace, I am going to order my guards to kill her and bring her corpse to you.
Christina, have you forgotten that I am your godfather? Where did you gather this stupid boldness to talk to me in this manner in the presence of my brothers and in my own house?
To hell with whatever you think. I don't bloody care about you. Now listen to me. Tell your daughter to stay away from my palace. And as for the land, kiss it goodbye.
Now listen to me. If you dare touch my daughter with that your filthy hands, then be ready to commit genocide. Be ready to wipe out everybody in my lineage. Are you ready?
I will be glad to do it. It shall remain as you pronounced.
It's okay. It's okay. The battle line has been drawn. Rubbish.
As you can see, this thing is getting out of hand.
Yes, so it is.
If I may suggest to you, why not let them have the land? So that the peace we reign now, Kudochia now.
Yes, let it go.
You want them to have my land? Let it go. That is over my dead body.
Hi.
My father did not throw that land away. And I do not intend to throw that land away. My son, Echika, we build on that land. Is he not a man like him? Don't advise me that kind of advice anymore.
Okay.
Fire, 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 royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn.
You mad? What did they do you? You won't kill me?
Yes, I want to kill you.
You won't kill me? You the mad oh. See this small boy. You know not the price, this stupid preach, you the mad. Why you won't jam me? Mark Clay, when I dey write WAEC, you never dream to write mathematics for SS1. Don't try this rubbish with me again, oh. Don't try him.
Hey, think you're daring me. You want to die,
Come
right?
on, listen for my face. All my patients not at your house.
Prince, what is this? What is this, Prince Chima? I thought we were family friends. Why are you trying to break the relationship we have with your late father? What is this?
You will shut up. Shut up your mouth. As for you, listen to me. I do not want to see you, your father, or any of your family member in that land. If you do, I am going to kill you. Heads will roll.
They're mad.
Heads roll.
They're mad. They're mad. Come in this one. They're mad.
Beat him.
I'm gonna beat you here now.
Leave her alone now. Leave her alone.
Fuck this way you talk now. Fuck this way you talk now. Fuck this way you talk now. Fuck him. They're mad. I go beat you for here. See how they follow you, they play Abi?
You have the guts to...
Leave her alone. Let her beat him very well. Beat him very well, sister. Beat him very well.
Beat them mad. Beat them mad. Beat them mad. I'm gonna break your head now. The body goes surplus.
Do her.
Tell your mama, make you not come back. This kind of nonsense with you.
You just stay from Galadima in this world because you never see something. Anyaga fuberi fa, maka anyagi afuberi fa, afuberi fa bakia.
My prince, that is why we are here, Your Majesty.
Let me get this straight. You are from IC Telecommunication Company, and your company want to mount a max in our land.
Yes, my prince. We have seen a suitable site.
My queen, the land they are referring to belongs to Ichio Congo. They came to me, as you know. I just had to bring them to the palace.
No way. So, which of Okonkwo's land are we talking about here?
Oh, you remember that line he gifted to the king before he died? Just very close to it.
I see.
Your Majesty, the IC Telecommunication, we are ready to strike a better deal between us and the owner of the land.
What's the significance of that particular land?
I guess this network max will be located right on that land, right?
Yes, my prince.
I see.
Like I said earlier, it is a stable site where we can fix our marks. And that is why we are keen on getting it done before the end of this month.
I see.
So, Is it your company's intention to acquire full ownership of the land?
Whichever, buying, renting, we just want our marks to be mounted as quick as possible so that we can easily reach to our subscribers.
To our customers.
Very well then. I've listened to both of you and I think I understand what you want. But for now, you need to go because I would like to speak with my cabinet members and get back to you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you, my prince.
I said I am interested in this business and on no account whatsoever will this conversation leave this palace. Oh no, I'm actually referring to you. Do not, I repeat, do not relate this to Ichie Okonkwo. Am I clear?
But Ichie Okonkwo is the rightful owner of that land. And he must be informed.
No, hold it there. Hold it there. Please. You have to understand the queen, my mother. Yes, we will take it up from there. But to avoid some kind of chaos, please, I beg you. I do not want this whole thing to be associated with Ichie Okonkwo. It should be out completely. I beg you. Oh no, I beg you.
In that case, my queen, have a nice day.
You too, if you wish.
Mother, I think these people are ready for business. They are ready to do business with the royal home. Yes. 150 million will not be a bad idea. I mean, that's a good money. Some good money for us. Yes, and I am very, very sure that they can afford it.
Mom, I have laid eyes on the land. It's enormous. We have to take that land from Okonkwo's family. This is bold business. And they are ready to yield.
Queen Dora, you asked me to come here. But you've been staring at me without saying a word.
Ichie Okonkwo, I asked you to follow me and you agreed to that, right?
Yes.
Then stay mute and watch me.
Wait, let me just go and wait for you at the channel.
No, Ichie, wait. Ichie, why are you blind to the fact that my body craves you? Ichie, listen. I am a woman and I need a man. I need a man's touch. A noble man like you. Please. You're my husband's friend. Why don't you want to satisfy your friend's wife's cravings?
Wait. Okay, wait.
I am begging you. Please. Even if it's just a hug, please.
Okay,
wait. You see, we are not doing anything wrong here. You are a widower. I am a widow, so we can be for ourselves. Please don't deny me this opportunity.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen.
Okay.
Will you listen to me?
Okay.
Just leave me. Let me talk. Let me talk. Okay.
Okay.
You see, what I feel here is that I am betraying the friendship I have with your late husband, the king. And you know, I am actually not supposed to touch you or even behold your nakedness. Please, I know I am a widower, but I am not ready for this now. I'm facing my children. Please.
There's something you're getting wrong with. You get something all wrong. These children you're talking about, they are all adults. And sooner than you know, they will all get married and they will leave you a lonely man. I want to get
I have planned for that. Please. When they grow up, the right way, the marriage. Wait.
Please. Your congo. You dare reject me? Very well then.
What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? In my house again?
You did this to me. Iche, you did this to me. Me. Is it me? You did this to me.
It's okay. I know what to do. I will tell your children that you need a man in your life because you're getting worse every day. If not that I'm a member of the cabinet, I don't think I will come to the palace again because you embarrass me every now and then. What's the meaning of this?
Is it that you don't understand me? Yeah? Is it a crime for me to fall in love with a cute nobleman like you? Yeah? Okay, look at me very well. Am I not please? Look at me. Don't I look beautiful? You're not even looking at me. Please. Would you rather I go out there and mess up with those young boys? Please. I want you to help me, please.
I told you, what is the meaning of this now?
Okay, look. Don't you like what you
I don't want to look.
You don't want to look. Look, you love it. Oh.
I don't love it.
You don't love it?
No.
You like it, you're pretending.
I don't like it. Oh, leave me alone. Oh.
What did they call for here? What's going on? Which one? I know they get to now. Say, get.
Just the phone, Deputy Jesus. Just the phone, Galadima.
I want that very land. Yes. I know he is your elder brother, but I want that particular land.
Mother, what is going on? I thought you had plans.
It seems the plans are no longer working.
My queen, we will try to convince him in selling the land to you. You know it's not going to be easy, but we're going to try.
Honestly, I got the quiz. I got the quiz in my queen, but we know what to do. It's our elder brother now. That land, Ogadeganya, we belongs to you. Ogadeganya.
Make sure that your best is more than enough. You know this is business, right?
Mm-hmm.
Both of you are partakers of this business. As a matter of fact, both of you are going to be 2 million naira richer if this business clicks.
My queen, we won't relent. Look, and I want to we know what to tell him now. Very soon,
It's here, somebody, Gaba. I'm promising you that.
Do not fail.
Mbano.
Do not fail me. Else, both of you will be written off. And it will be one of those royal fracas stuff.
My queen, anyị bụ ọkụkọ ga-agba ọbara ka ike ha anyị. Nsogbu adọrọ. Ka anyị bịa ọ bịara ije mụna.
Just the phone, Deputy Jesus. Makanyaki, Afuberi. Just the phone, Galadima. Afukwi Feipakia. Makanyaki, Naba, Afuberi. Makanyaki, Afuberi.
My queen, what are you talking about? That land is not for sale. And I'm not giving it to anybody. Because it is my birthright land. But I can offer to you any other land at any amount that you want it. But for this, it's a no-go area.
Ichie, listen. It's as if we are pleading for too long. Why? We are royals. We don't beg for what we want. The royal family is offering you a sum of 5 million for that land. It is because I need it. I need to build on that land. In fact, I want to expand my mansion. And you're saying you don't want to sell because of what? Why? See, let me tell you something. I need that land. There is no two-way about it. Not too much talk about this.
Prince Chima, I am sorry to disappoint you. I gifted your father, the late king, a land very close to this one in question. And please, stop being greedy over the land that does not belong to you.
That is my land. Beg your pardon.
Chima, sit. I said sit down, Chima. Sit!
Old man, watch your tongue. Watch it!
Has he got into this?
I would like you to go home and have a rethink. Ichie Okonkwo, look at me. I do not want war. I sincerely appreciate the relationship we have built over the years. But do not drag the royal home. Do not push us. You know as much as I do that I can have that land with or without your consent. But I decided to respect your consent. Ichie, please respect me.
Oh. So that's why you want our relationship to go beyond family, friendship? That's why you want to sleep with me?
Watch your tongue, man. Are you insane? Are you out of your mind? Children around and you speak nonsense?
No problem. No problem. No problem.
You will release that land. Either by hook or by crook. Nonsense.
You just stay from Galadima in this world because she never sees something.
Mother! 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 No, stop! Mother! Don't you dare! Don't dare!
Put down.
That land belongs to us. That land belongs. I don't want to hear anything. Right? That land belongs to us.
down. What's happening?
Can you imagine? She went to attack me on my way.
What? Is she mad? That's not possible. What gave her the guts to attack you?
Just calm down first. Just relax.
Hey, this is war. Let's go. What? Let's go where? Do not do anything. Come back here. Come back here. What I do? Come back.
Echi, follow me, go that place. Echi, leave woman, I'm going to go that place. Where is there?
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, they come. I won't go that land.
To do what?
I won't go that place. Make I see the bastard where go enter that land. They mad. In fact, you see this juju, and they go dig out for that place. I want to see the person where go chop pork, where go gather moral, remove this juju. And if I they come out, I go pay town criers. Make they announce, give everybody say, I don't put a guna ballet for that place. I want to see the idiots where go gather moral, dig this thing come out for that place. Now go punish the person.
She went to go inside. No, Papa, leave her alone.
Leave
her, I support this one. You are supporting her. I support this one. You are supposed to be. Leave my sister alone. The royal family has been messing up. They have been playing Oliver Twist on that land, Papa. Echi, you are supposed to. You are supposed to. Stop her, Papa. Even you. I didn't say you. I didn't tell you. I didn't say you don't kill anybody. Oh. Don't go.
It's okay. Remember your health.
Come back, oh. Come back. Chiwando!
Where is that bastard?
Chiwando! Come out here!
Come out!
Chiwando, come out here!
Yes!
Chiwando, come out! I'm waiting for you!
Come out!
Are you sure? Chiwando!
Where are they?
I want to see you come out here! If you know that you're a full-fledged woman, come out here!
Check the
Let me check the back here.
Yes! Every living thing in this house should come out! Stupid! Who else is in this house? Where are you, Chiwando? Hey! You old fool. Where is that rotten daughter of yours? Where is Chiwando?
Enough of this madness.
Shut up! I am talking to you. Where is your daughter?
I said enough of this madness.
Don't look like I'm joking with you. Are you mad?
Do you know who you are talking to? Do you know who I was to your father when he was alive?
And so? You are nothing. Provide your daughter to us now! Where is she?
Now who gave you the right to come yell in my house? Hey, now get out of my compound. Get out of my compound!
Are you mad? Are you stupid, this old fool? Do I look like I'm playing with you? You dare ask the princess and the prince of this kingdom to get out? Because of this your stupid house, what do you think you are? Who are you? Are you mad? You did crazy?
You slapped me? Prince Chima, you watched your sister slap me! Old man, now get out of my compound.
I did not say.
Listen. I am not here for all this jamboree. Bring out your daughter here, and now!
When the material of this man, shot him on the leg.
I said you get out of my compound.
Get out. Are you mad?
I said get out of my compound.
You're still talking. You want me to play with this?
What of you? Get back to the palace this minute.
I said leave this place this minute. I'm back to the palace.
Can you imagine? Your stupid daughter slapped me.
That's a lie.
She slapped me.
My daughter did not do such a thing. She did not. She cannot.
Your daughter slapped me, and I will not lie. Your daughter slapped me, and I will not lie for any reason.
She cannot do a thing like that.
This is a lie. What you are saying is a lie. This thing is not acceptable for your daughter to slap a noble man in this kingdom. Not just a noble man. Her father's best friend.
Shut up. Shut up, you old man. My daughter did not hit him. That's what I'm saying. You don't afford to say about my children.
Oh. But let me tell you this. This is not acceptable. It is totally wrong. And the elders must meet for this.
Let me remind you.
Yes.
I am Queen Dora of Omonze Kingdom. And I do whatever I wish. And you know that. Excuse me.
Queen Dora. Queen Dora.
gather your children together and give them good training.
Don't tie this thing. Make I see how they go take enter this land. This juju when I construct. Don't tie am. Make I see who go gather moral enter this land. Come out am. I go let them know say I be man and woman in one body.
Bam.
What that fire them?
Bam, sister, I support you well. And I sure say now those our useless uncles. Now then they support them for this nonsense.
Now them now. And then they push the prince. If I say this relationship what we get with the royal family, they don't like him.
They're not gonna succeed.
As it be now, I don't cut the relationship. Because I don't even benefit anything from them. Now they want pack our land, they want collect from us, and we no go agree.
We no go agree.
Put the pound front well.
We no go agree.
They mad. Make I still go get my car enter this place.
Come make I say this one here first.
Cross am. Cross am.
They crazy.
What's it?
Brother, I just saw the princess slap your father.
Dikeh! Princess, do anything!
My papa, they mad. I go cut person today. I go cut him.
From on no account did you tell any of them what happened today. Did you hear me?
But this thing is not fair now. It's not fair now. Look at what they did now. Me, I'm so flabbergasted for what happened though. Me, I will talk. Oh, I will talk.
I said you should not tell them. What is that? I don't like this.
Papa, what did they hear so? Say that premature princess slap you? Eh? What's that?
I told you not to tell anybody.
Papa, I said it's me and you that is there now. Did I tell anybody?
Wait though, Papa. That useless princess slapped you. Is that true?
Ha!
Yes.
She did not slap me. Nobody slapped me.
She not fear, she slap you.
She not slap me.
What go there?
Ha!
Their body go suffer and they come.
Nobody slapped me.
These people, they don't too do. They don't too do. We go get us for this village, though. Leave her, sister. Make she go find that useless princess. As for me, I go dig there, find that prince. They will collect today. They will clear.
If you kill anybody,
Papa,
I don't want them to kill anybody.
Papa, they are not killing anybody. See your health.
Okay.
I've been telling you, stop putting this thing. I don't like you to be putting this kind of thing in my food. Get what in the air? Mama?
There is fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain.
Where?
Wait, follow me. Stand up. Stand up. Let's go. Palace.
What is happening in the palace?
There is fire. Again, you are very stupid. I said, let's go. You're asking me a question. Are you okay?
What is happening in the palace now? This dog is not. Wait, let me take my phone.
Quick.
Palace.
Let's go. Be in front. Move.
What is the market?
That girl have not seen anything. I'm telling you.
You know, I'm only respecting our mother. Else, she would have seen the other side of me. She mad. What's she even feeling like? Look at that nuisance.
Just look at you. Look at both of you. How dare you? How dare you disobey me? Why did you slap Ichi Okonkwo? Why? And you? Did I ask you to slap him? Did I?
Oh, mother, please stop it. Wait a minute. Do you expect me to clap for her? For attacking my own brother? The prince of this land? I won't even take that. And I'm sure you know.
The Chinwendu that I know would not slap anyone or attack anyone if you had obeyed me. What is this? We already had this conversation. I told you I am going to manage this my own way. As I talk to you, plans are on the ground. And you, especially, put that thing down when I'm speaking to you, fool. Why do you want to ruin my plans? I told you I was going to handle this my own way. Plans are already going down and you are going to ruin it. Why?
She's lucky. Because if I handle her my own way, she will not live to tell the story. What nonsense? What is she even feeling like? She thinks she can come to this palace and talk to my mother the way she likes. She lashed out on you, mother, and you expect me to do nothing? You see that land? We are taking it. Bro, that business, we are running that business. I don't care what's going to happen.
I said... I want to teach them. I want to beat them. Make I beat them since you know they beat them. Come on from my front. I'm not well, though.
Who do you want to beat? Hey, shut up.
They follow me.
You dare slap my father. You let this your filthy hands on my father. You!
Hey,
sister, beat this girl now.
Who are you?
Poor mother, please come out of the way. My sister, beat this girl well. Shut up. Woman to woman, beat her well. Woman nonsense.
If my hand touch you, I go beat you like small pikin.
You cannot try it. I am the princess of this land.
Stop!
Beat her, sister.
I'm not
Beat
scared
her
of
well.
you. I am not scared of you.
Hey, who are you? Huh? What is all this nonsense? Don't allow me to... Is this some kind of royal...
I don't even know who he is.
What's this? If not for mom plating, I would have dealt with you.
Okay,
Yes.
I will beat you. Shut up. You say you. Hey, stop. Stop.
Beat him, sister. Beat him well.
Stop it. Shut up. Can I listen to myself for once? Shut up.
It's okay. It's okay.
I teach them lesson.
Hey,
why she go slap you?
What your daughter? What is animal you call a daughter?
Me animal.
Yes.
Me animal.
Stop all this. Stop. Let me alone.
Leave them alone. It's okay. Huh?
Okonkwo, as good as you are here, can you please take this mad dogs of yours out of my palace this minute?
You are addressing my children. Papa, what is it?
Hey,
Papa,
go and feed him. Give him food.
This man, eh? Blood go flow.
Say lie.
Papa,
take him out of here.
Help!
What of nonsense?
Pray nothing happened to my father. You pray nothing happened to my father. Papa, don't do this now. Don't do this to us now.
My father's palace.
Wait. Please help me carry on. Go have this time.
Hey, when you come here, listen.
Sorry, Papa. Pray nothing happened to my father.
Go and treat your sick father. Go and treat him.
Dr. Alpha.
His blood pressure is abnormal, but he'll be fine.
Doctor, please do everything possible to make sure he's alright. Please, doctor.
Sure, he's going to be fine. But you just have to let him rest for now. Okay. So, which of you is his son?
I'm the one, doctor.
Okay, please see me in my office. We'll sign some papers.
Alright. Sister, please, come in.
Make my papa well first. This fight never finish.
Chiwendo, can you please calm down? If I hadn't seen you while driving, I wouldn't even know what's happening. Please relax.
I'm not gonna relax, so. This stupid princess no fear. Enter my papa cup, tear my papa slap. Because I know that she knock and slap. It don't be you. Now what just start. If I catch this princess, if blood not come off her body, call me bastard. I go show and shake. You go see her.
Chiwendo, please, it's alright, okay? We should be concerned about how Papa will get better. That is the most important thing now. Please, just relax yourself.
And you must tender unreserved apology to Ichie Okonkwo for what you did. That's the first thing first. And to you, I am totally disappointed in you. In few weeks' time, you will be a king. Is this how you are going to rule us?
Shut up. Shut up, old dirty man. What is wrong with you? Have you gone out? Wait. You want my own sister to tender unreserved apology to who exactly? After what that Chiwendo came here to display? You can't be serious.
Bro, this man is nothing to talk about. He's not worth it. Obviously, he's high on a cheap drug.
And to you, Queen Dora, let me tell you this. the cabinet of this kingdom will not hold any meeting concerning crowning your son, Chima, as our next king. I promise you that.
What? Wait for me. No! Just wait for me.
Chima!
I'll be back.
Chima, stop!
Must be very, very stupid.
Nonsense.
Chima, do not do anything stupid.
Where's that old?
Chima, let's
Where's that old man? Where is it?
Let him be.
Oh!
He was just
Look,
one
I'm here.
thing and you know that.
You just stay from Galadina in this world, no, because you never see something. And you go for very fair.
My prince.
Yes, you're welcome.
My elders, why the urgency?
My prince, she barricaded the whole place with Omo.
Yes.
That will now have access to the land. Ojo touch everywhere.
My prince, I have one or two things to add. I told you we have our ways. We have plans. We know how to do things in our own way.
What nonsense are you talking about? What stupid Omo are you talking about? I'm going to go to that land and remove that Omo immediately.
Mbao, Prince, that Omo can be removed by the same person that put it to.
I don't care. I don't give a hook. Is that why you're panicking? Huh? I don't want to hear your voice. Nonsense of what are you talking about? Omo that you will literally remove with your hands.
She is acting what she should.
Oh, yes. Alright, I'll be with you shortly, okay? Jesus. How did you find my place and what are you doing here?
Do not tell me you are dating that patron, that man that sees herself as a woman, Oscar. Oh, stop it. Don't tell me you are having an affair with your fellow man. Oh, really? So you joined hands with her to attack me in my father's palace? Huh?
Just stop it, okay? Who are you? You feel you can just drive down here to invade my privacy?
Privacy? Oh, where? This is nothing.
Listen to me carefully.
This is just a heart. Shut up.
This is my property. Okay? You better leave now, else I'll call the police on you.
I'm going to call the police on me. I'm so scared. Call the police on me. Do I look scared? Go and call the damn fucking freaking police on me.
Do not push me to the wall.
Hey, you do what?
Better leave now that it's still early.
You do what? You know, I am really glad I followed you without your notice. But you see that girl? Have to end whatever nonsense that is going on between you two. I forbid it. I am yours. You are freaking mine. You have no other business with any other human on earth beside me. Right? Do not try me again, else you will not like my outcome. Excuse me.
I am not yours.
Say so.
And you're not my mother or my sister or my future wife. How could you be so wicked? Huh? Look at how you beat that poor man. You're a disgrace to the royal home. You know what's good for you? Leave now, else I will call the police on you and I won't repeat myself again.
Oscar, I'll let this slide. Because I like you. Don't try it when I'm in a bad mood. And as for that man, what you witnessed is nothing compared to what I will do to her when I see her around you next time. I will not take any form of disrespect from any human. Don't try me. It's nothing. I can do worse, you know, right?
It is so obvious that you're insane. And you're mad.
It's nothing.
Crazy girl.
Oh, Yoji, hold it for me. No, yeah. Let me be looking out for you. Oh, yeah. They found the Madoga Bateba. Huh? Oji, me will not see something. What happens here? Thank you,
Yeah, Maka. Ah, wait.
My prince, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, I am so proud of the woman you have become. Yes. I remember so many years ago you were working as a maid in a palace. And today, you're a graduate.
It's God.
Proud of you.
It's God.
I want you to come to the palace tonight. Don't fail me.
My prince, for what?
For long time's sake. I mean, you don't forget where you started from.
My prince, if you don't mind, I was heading to somewhere. I'm going there.
Hey! Nwatakịrị eluchago ka ube. Ngalachi ya. Eluchago ka ube, ngalacha gị. Hey!
No see them. I don't catch you that. That thunder go fire una. Una papa. Na me and una for this village. You can't dig champ for my papa land. Hey! You don't be oh. War don't start. See the champ. Okay. Okay.
Chimo, they don't plant charm for our papa land.
Sister, what is it?
I think I close eyes small. Now I dream say they plant charm for our papa land. I go remove them.
Are you sure, sister? Because I think you are overreacting.
I know what they talk. I know what I see. And anything when I see, they come to pass. It be like say they don't remove the omu when I put for them.
Sister, be cool. I beg you in the name of God, calm down first. Let Papa get well first. Let us get out of here before you start with all these ones again. Be cool.
Amaka don't go.
Yes, she left some minutes ago. And you, sister, you need to go home. Go home and refresh.
And they go straight to that land. And they go Komota.
I will spend the night with Papa.
Fire.
Take it easy. Please take it easy.
The battle line has been too long. Anything you dare talk, now your matter. I want to go on your send.
Welcome. Sorry you was coming to my place for the first time at night.
No, Wala.
So this is my home. This is where I manage.
You're fine. I like her.
Thank you. Jimmy, you love me, right?
This is when they ask me this question. Be like say you won't bribe me. You won't make I forget what happened today, Abby.
No, Chimindu, it's not about that, Chimindu. I really do love you and I want you for the rest of my life. Please, just tell me you love me.
I love you. Even you know say I love you.
I know. Chimindu, promise me you won't fight the royal family anymore. And promise me you won't fight Princess Adore. I want you to just live a peaceful life.
Which kind talk be this one? In fact, we will unlove ourselves now. I no do again. No, because that girl must collect beating from my hand. I don't make a vow to myself say I must beat her. You see that princess? She must collect beating woto from me. You go see her.
Just try and understand me, okay?
Nothing to understand. In fact, come carry me to go my house. You don't vex. You don't spoil everything. Make I dey go.
No,
Make I dey go my house.
You know I can allow you go.
You don't make me vex.
I am concerned about your safety. Please. If anything happens to you, what would I do?
Nothing will happen to me. I won't beat that girl.
Okay, fine. Just calm down, okay? You just come in. Just go in and have your bed, okay? And then let me get you something to eat.
I won't go beat that girl.
Okay, fine. You will not do it, but not today, please. I beg you, okay? You know you make me happy. And I don't like to see you upset. Let's go. Okay?
Chiamaka, you did not eat your food. Why?
Mom, I'm not hungry.
The prince was here earlier this evening.
What did he come to say?
Why are you asking that one? It's you, of course, now. Or you were not trying at the compound. It's you, of course. He came for you. That's what he told us.
I can't remember him telling me that he's coming to see me, so... Well, maybe he came to see that of you.
Ekene, you're saying Won't you say anything?
But Mama, I'm saying something now. Eh?
Ekene, is it not obvious that the prince is liking your sister?
Liking my sister? In what aspect, Mama? Is it that the one you want to sleep with her? Because I know the prince very well with women. Or they like him. Which one are you saying?
Ekene, I'm saying something.
I'm not in for this night's gossip. Cholomia. I'm not in a beg. I'm not in. I'm not at all. You obviously like me.
Ekene, I'm saying
Are you sure
something.
you don't want to sleep with my sister and just drop her like that? You know how that guy used to do. I'm not in for this all night gossip. You're coming inside, come with your lamp.
Ekene, I'm saying something.
Doc.
Yeah.
You came.
Yeah.
Is there any problem?
No problem. Just came to check on the patient.
Okay.
You are good, right?
Yes, doctor. Hello. I don't know. Yes. No, the doctor came already. He said everything is fine. Papa is sleeping now. He's sleeping. He's okay. He's responding to treatment. Okay, no problem. See you tomorrow then. Okay, sister, no problem, man. You try and be safe, eh? I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, sister. Got your phone? Please be safe, Biko.
Maki.
Okonkwo, my friend, I am sorry. I am not part of this.
I know. But why are you crying?
I died in pains, regret and betrayals. I don't have restful body here. But destiny and fate, I cannot undo.
I beg of you, my friend Dikeh. I am lost. I do not understand.
My spirit is not happy, but I cannot do anything because I'm not of this world. I am of a different world now. Look at Dorothy, that all of you thought she was good to me. Look at the animals you call my son and daughter.
You just stay from in this world because you never see something and you go for very fair. Just before Deputy Jesus,
Oh.
This was revealed to me in the other side. I keep watching without helping. The living and the dead has nothing in common. And I do not have power to do anything.
Chima! I do that!
Father!
Oh.
What have you done? Chima, what have you done?
That was how I was killed by Chima, my former driver's son.
So Chima is not your blood?
Oh yeah, my former driver was sleeping with Dorothy in my absence. Not only him, my PA Andrew was also sleeping with her.
Andrew was married. And he died of ulcer last year.
Yes. He is the father of Adore.
You mean Chima and Adore are not your blood?
They are not of my blood. And they are not of the royal blood.
Oh yeah, your driver. Do you both see yourself out there? I mean, the dead people's world. Do you see yourselves there?
Here is quite different. It will take a long time for you to understand. Whatever that occurs in life remains in life. So you do not judge or condemn. Here we dwell. Now go in search of Choma.
You mean Choma, your first love?
Yes. She is out there in the world. She was destined to be a queen. She dwells in a kingdom very far away from our land. Look for her and you will understand.
I will try as much as possible to look for Choma.
A telecommunication company wants your land, but they went the wrong way in order to respect the kingdom. They met with the royal house, and that was the genesis of your stay in this bed. But do not worry. You have a lioness. Even in the spirit world, her mother is proud of her. She is a crown on your head, and the crown will not fall.
Papa, what is it? Papa! What is it, Papa? Are you okay?
But we are blood.
Then why are you mad at me? I need a queen. I need a woman in my life. You can't keep chasing all the girls you see around me indirectly. No! You can't get married. And you know it.
What about me? What about my feelings, huh?
Hey, come on. You're trying to find a man for yourself, so what happened? Why not try harder? Find a man.
I don't know how to do it. I don't even know how to do that. Come on. I've loved you all my life.
Hey. This is not even a conversation. You know what? You need to go for a vacation. You need to cool your head. You can't get married. Let that stick to your brain. This is reality.
Oh, really? This is it? Now? Fine. I think I get it clear. No, I understand. Excuse me.
I need you to understand this.
Let's use your position. Arrest anyone, because devil might turn around tomorrow. Let's use your position. Arrest anyone, because devil might turn around tomorrow. Let's use your position. Arrest anyone, because devil might turn around tomorrow.
You mad? Wait, mad? Are you stupid?
What is it? Stop it! I can't stop it! What is wrong with you?
Father.
Are you stupid or mad? What has gone wrong with you? You flog and beat anybody in this kingdom as you want. What is wrong with you?
Father, please. You need to leave my room. Leave my room. I do not want to be angry at you.
Chima, you are daring me. You are daring me, Chima.
Hey, come on.
Chima! You are daring me. If I ever see you beat this girl again, I will skin you alive. Chima! I said come here!
Get on your knees. Now! I don't know why I hate you so much. I hate you with everything in me. I don't know why. You're such an ugly girl. Stupid. Foolish. Even looking for an adjective to qualify your stupidity. How many times have I told you that I do not like that bedsheet on my bed? How many times? Huh?
Hey, Prince, I was not the one that addressed it. It was Amara. I only found out she used that bedsheet. I came to change it.
Hey, Amara, Amaka, or whatever, you all are the same. Right? You are going to be here until night falls. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Got my eyes on you.
You crazy? Huh? You mad? Hey! Stone in my food!
Son? What is it? Why are you racing like what?
This ugly thing cooked a meal full of stone. She wants to kill me.
Calm down. Stop. She's not the one that made the food. I did.
You're trying to tell me that you made a meal for me full of stone? Or you're trying to come out with this girl?
Stop! Ah! What? Are you crazy? Are you insane?
Dad?
Since you came back from Europe here, you have been beating everybody under my roof. Are you mad? Wait, what is wrong with you? Or have you been taking drugs?
Father, You splashed your drink on me because of this ugly thing. This one here.
Yes, I did. And if you dare me next time, I will do more than this.
You know what? I am not in the mood for this drama. Excuse me.
Get the hell out of my sight.
My friend, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My king, I'm here to inform you that I got admission in Abia State University to study accounting.
Wow. So you made it?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Whoa. Finally, the most ugly staff in this palace is about to go to school. Well, you know what? You can't lose everything in life. Come on now.
Bro, please stop it. You don't mean it?
No. It's only the beautiful ones that go to school. Those that are brilliant. I hope you're brilliant. Not going there to show your ugly self in the high institution.
Oh, bro, please stop it. You actually have a point.
I said stop it, Adore.
Oh.
What's wrong with all of you?
Oh.
Amaka, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm super proud of you. Don't ever allow anybody to make you get discouraged.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Because I know you are going to be great.
Oh, Daddy, please
You are
stop
going
it.
to be a hero.
Thank you. I think I brought this for you. I brought this wine to say thank you for everything you've done for us in this palace. I'm grateful. Thank you for the fatherly love. And to say that my work here is done because I want to focus on my education now.
Shut up. What is this cheap thing you brought here?
I said stop!
It's not poisoned.
What is it?
You're going to drink poison.
I think it's the fake one.
I said shut up!
Oh, okay, Daddy.
Definitely fake drink. I mean,
I'm
Amaka,
sure
my
she can
daughter.
afford a drink.
Come, let me bless you. And when you get to school, find out your admission fee. I'm going to put the bill.
Thank you so much, baby.
I guess that's what she
Thank you.
It's all right.
Get it.
Chiamaka was around just now.
She stepped out.
Eh. Yes. My prince, I'm not sure she's out of this kingdom.
Yes, my prince. She just stepped out now. But my prince, I hope there's no problem. Because considering what happened at the palace today, we are already worried. I am my mother.
Well, there's no problem. You have nothing to worry about. Just that we had an appointment for her to meet me up at the palace tonight. I have waited.
Okay. In that case, no problem, my prince. What happened is, immediately she comes back, we will notify her that you came and you asked after her, my prince.
There is no problem. I just only interested in having a fine, beautiful meeting with her. I know my visitation tonight might have caused some panic, but it's okay. You have nothing to worry about.
My prince, we trust you. We trust you, don't worry. I will inform her when she gets back.
Okay. Have a good night.
Good night.
All right, good night, my prince. Mama?
What is Mama? Where's your sister?
Is she not... I thought she was around now.
No.
You didn't see her? Chiamaka.
Let's go inside the room so you can sleep well. This place is not comfortable for you. Please.
I'm fine here. I want to sleep here.
But you know this place is not comfortable. I want to tell you something. You are safe with me. I won't do anything against your wish. I just want you to be fine. I just want you to be okay. Please, I want you to trust me.
I trust you, but let me sleep here.
You're sure you want to sleep here? You know your happiness is my priority. I will just do as you wish.
Get out of my sight!
I'm sorry, my princess.
Out! Fool! You're just tall for nothing. How could you not see this common girl and bring her to me? Silly. Damn.
What are you doing? Come on, stop this. Stop it.
Babe, I need you. I want you.
Hey, come on, stop this. Can you listen to yourself? Just listen to yourself for a second. We're talking about land business that could fetch us a fortune. And you're here talking about me sleeping with you. You sleeping with... Are you right?
Shh. Stop talking and get to it. Come help me. Hey, you will enjoy it. Stop it.
Stop this. Stop it. See, you need to focus on your new man, alright? I have someone in mind that I intend to marry. And bringing her into this palace, alright? I intend making her my queen.
Shut up! Stop talking, baby. You're wasting the time. Listen, you enjoy it. You taught me everything. And I'm so perfect right now. You taught me how to smoke, how to drink alcohol, and all of that. Babe, I am deeply on you. Enjoy me.
Oh, come on!
Come have me.
Stop! You're going crazy right now. Yes, you're saying stupid things.
I'm crazy about you.
Hey. You know what you need to do right now? Calm down, right? Focus on your new man. Make him love you. Love him too. Force things and make it happen. With that, you can't forget about me.
I love you too. I love you. You're all I want, baby. I need it. Listen. I'll make it up to you. You're going to enjoy it. I'll make you like it.
You're going crazy right now. Go. Hey!
And what is going on here? Chima. What is wrong with these two adults? Chima! Adure! What?
Good morning, Oga Oscar.
How many times have I told you not to call me Oscar? My name is Oscar, okay?
Okay.
I made breakfast for you. I'm sure you would like it.
You sabi cook?
Are you serious? My mom taught me how to cook. In fact, I'm a good cook.
Okay.
Let's start with this. Okay.
It's delicious.
I told you, right? So rate my cooking skills 1 to 10.
8.
That's fair enough. But it's fine. Okay, enjoy your breakfast, okay? While I go clean up the kitchen. Alright. Enjoy.
My prince, she left very early this morning.
Yes.
But we told her you'll be visiting.
Exactly.
I wish to have her contact.
Okay.
I'd like to speak with her directly.
No problem. Oh, let me put it.
Okay.
Okay. My prince. That's both our WhatsApp line. Anyone, they're active.
Thank you.
We are keeping the priest and go and get him share. Fast. Okay. Also. My prince. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Fire, royal attack. Chiwendi. Wanyika wakike. The battle line has been too long. Bam bam. Anything you dare talk. Now your matter. I want upon your send. The chunk of Cassie. I want upon your send.
I don't tell you, Sam.
How does it mean?
Now, Juju. I tell you, say I dream this, you not believe me. The body came when I take put for my papa land. This idiot remove and Congo plant this champut. I know well, I go show this people madness. I know they fear anybody.
Chiwendi, what are you doing with this? I always know what I'm thinking.
Now Juju be this. What you they think now be this now Juju? They plant Juju for that place. And I'm not saying that my uncles in collaboration with Queen Dora, now they plant this champut, but they don't fail because I will deal with them.
You have to throw this away, okay? There are other ways to sort this out.
So I go throw him. I'm not going to try him. I return her back to sender. I dey go plant this Juju back for my uncle land. Wait, I dey come.
Why?
What be why? Back to sender. I dey carry this thing go shook and there back. They don't know me. I know well.
Chiwendi, you have to listen to me. The other way to sort this out.
No, Juju be this one. It go enter your body.
Chiwendi, listen to me now.
They come.
My love, you have to be very careful. But I'm surprised. But why is Queen Dora in support of your uncle selling the land?
Na envy na. No be today they don't fight my papa. They don't attack this man since because of this land. Na envy.
My brothers, the last time I checked, I did not put a signpost on that land that it is for sale. So I don't have any land for sale. Chief Ume came here and I told him I don't have any land to sell. Because I want my son to build on that land. And you all know that that land is my birthright. You are still asking me to sell it.
Even at 10 million naira.
Eh? Which 10 million? Carry your 10 million, go to wait for which we don't need them. My papa no go sell any land give una. We will not sell the land to you people now by force. What happen? Eh? Una not get land to sell. I don't like the way this land matter don't they go. The way they go, I don't like it. Make una stop am.
Chiwendi, we're only talking to your father, not you. Why not go to your shop?
My father will not sell any land to you people. That Chief Ume say will not go sell and give una. Period. Boom.
We don't like the way your daughter is talking to us. We don't.
Chiwendi, calm down. It is you people that is taking this matter too far. I did not tell you that I wanted to sell my land. But you kept pushing. I'm pushing.
Brother, since Chiwendi is now telling you what to say and do, no problem.
Papa Ebuka, yeah, you don't define my trouble. You're beginning to look for my trouble. Don't make me vex, so. If to say as first child what I be man. Una not go consult me before I go talk about land. You think I be like when I children when they get in herself. I they get myself as woman, oh. And I stand gidigba. My father will not sell any land to you people. Period.
We've heard you. Since your daughter is now your mouthpiece, she's the one now telling you what to do. There's no problem.
They go and his mouthpiece. Come on, stay back for this place. Let's go. Come on here. That them be. Papa, no sell this land though. Yeah, you go get problem if you sell this land.
Trust me now, I know we'll sell land. What for? My birthright.
happened just now? Chimo. So broad daylight not reach this boy again. They don't attack me for dream. Can't they use my brother's face? So they want me to have issues with my brother. Papa Ebuka, I know that your handwork be this. And you didn't manipulate this thing, but it no go work for you. I go sleep again, come back again. Come back, attack me again. Come again. Are they mad? Waiting. What's happened? Talk now. Talk. What?
We were in the farm, oh.
Papa. What's up with Papa?
Papa collapsed.
Collapsed? For farm?
Yes.
Yeah, Chika.
Yeah, they're in the hospital.
Which hospital? Which hospital? For 2 months now they don't fight my papa. My papa never get himself for 2 good months. From his left hand to his leg. So till my brother stopped school because of my papa, so that they could carry my papa from one place to the other. Even me, not be small hustling I don't do. I don't dey hustle for my shop or make I forget money to pay in medicine. We go prayer house, pastors tell us say na my uncles they do my papa this thing. Because say my papa no gree sell and give them, they fight the man, but me no worry. I dey gidigba for them. I know they fear anybody. I know they shake. I full ground.
This is really strange.
Not be small thing. Not be small thing. But I no go grieve for them. I will not let them have peace. Because I know they take my papa play.
My love, I understand how you feel, but you have to be very careful. You know, fighting the royal family is very dangerous.
No go there. Come on for that place where you dey go because I must fight them. That's the honest truth. Make I no fight them, make they keep my papa. I no go agree. This land no go reach their hand.
You know I care about you. Please, you have to be very careful. You have to take it easy. I know what I'm saying.
I don't hear you, but I no go agree.
Okay, son. But you know it's been long you visited, right? So tell me, when are you going to come back home? Oh, you already know I'm missing you. Am I supposed to tell you this? Come on. Of course. It's okay. I am here with your uncle, the honorable of this kingdom. Sure, you can. Prince Obiora, my son.
Oh, my prince. Good morning. How are you doing today? Oh, we are fine. It has been a while. How is your business over there? Everything is fine. Don't forget we are preparing seriously for your coronation. It is well. Hope London is doing you good. I came to visit your mother. Yes, everybody's fine. Okay. Let me give it to her so you continue your discussion with her, okay? I'm waiting to see you.
All right. Okay, son. Can we continue later? Yes, already in a meeting with your uncle. I love you and you know that. Take care of yourself. Bye.
My queen.
I am so happy.
So tell me, how was your trip to Lagos? You went to visit your son and his family. I hope they are doing good.
They are pretty fine. How are you doing today, my queen?
Oh, as you can see, I'm good.
I see it.
Where are these girls?
Oscar, thank you for everything. I really appreciate.
It's alright. It's nothing, okay?
Now something, oh, a very big thing to me. You know what you do for us? God will bless you, oh.
Amen. Let's just hope Papa gets stronger, okay? Alright, let me just rush to the office. I'll come back later.
Okay.
Alright, please take care of yourself.
Sure.
And also take care of Papa.
I will.
I'll see you later, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Your daughter found favor in my sight, and I wish to make her the queen of this land. I mean, my wife.
Hey, my prince.
Yes. I mean, what other business should bring me to your abode, if not to see Chiamaka?
Hi. Hello, my prince.
I want her. I understand the condition, right? And I believe no woman on earth will reject this awesome offer from a magnificent prince.
Of course.
Soon to be king. So, I mean, from the history we share, now I know that we have to work together. We have to do some homework so she will dance to my tune.
Of course.
Yes. And if you do that, I shall reward you handsomely.
Oh, my prince, you don't even need to reward us. Yes, I have said it and it is done.
Exactly. Exactly, my prince.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. I love this. Put in more work. I do not want her to say no. I am the prince.
It is written.
Soon to be a king.
Of course.
Of this kingdom.
Of course. Our kingdom. We are very... We know.
We know. Chiamaka, find favor on your side. Oh,
good. This
there.
one is assuring. It's good. I will send for you later in the day.
Okay.
Okay?
Exactly.
And please, make sure she accepts this offer without prejudice.
My prince, you have nothing to fear. Yes.
I am the elder brother.
You have nothing to fear.
This is our mother. Hey, straight.
Good.
God,
thank you.
Thank you, my prince.
And I shall be expecting positive feedback.
Exactly.
prince.
She must not reject this offer.
No, not at all. My prince, I'm Dikeh. I'm getting the day. Bye bye.
I'll be back.
Yeah, okay, we are waiting. Oh. Mama. Mama, you see. Hey. Bye bye, you, my prince. Bye bye, you, job, Mama. My prince.
Another week. Give him another
Bye bye. Mama. Hey.
Ekene.
Mama.
I said it.
Is this a dream?
Life is happening life. I said it, that it will happen. Ekene, look at me in the eye.
Yeah.
And you will know that your mother has spoken. No
Mama.
noise.
Mama.
Don't faint. Sit down.
Chamaka.
Sit down. Let's
Wait.
continue. Let's continue.
Wait, get burger.
Hey! Chim.
I need to. Okay, he will call Chamaka.
Mama. No, make it make sense. Because I don't know my water. Please, make it make sense.
Chamaka, sit down. Dude, go there now. Sit down. This is family. We are having a conversation. You now stood up as if you want to attack us. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit where?
Okay.
I will not sit down here.
All right.
Mama, are you not disappointed at yourself? You know when God didn't make you for saying this. You want me to marry who? Clean your mouth. Mama, you of all people know what I went through in that bastard's hand. That bastard called me names. He said, Mama Amaka, that I'm ugly. I know how many times I used to cry. Come to you and tell you what that bastard did to me. You will tell me sorry. Now you want me to marry him. Why? Because of your longer throat. Makabiro, don't look at me like that. You look at me like that. Makabiro, Mama, you want me to marry that man? You want to carry your daughter? Who be an hellfire? Ah, Mama. I will not marry that man. Whether you like it or not, I will not marry him.
Amaka, to err is human, and to forgive is divine.
Ma'am, are you not a Christian?
The prince has changed. Yes, I can assure you that. Marry him and be the queen of the queen.
Mama, you know the shame for yourself. Because I'm even tired of getting shame on your behalf. Mama, if you like, pick a pig. Wash a pig. A pig will still be a pig. That man is a monster, and a monster he is forever. He can never change. I will not marry him. I will never marry him. Wait. What happens to Paukonko and his family? Those people saw me through school. You know what I'm talking about. Stop looking at me like that. I belong to a chica, and nothing you two can do about it.
Hey! Enough. I don't want my head to scatter like popcorn. Enough. What are you talking about, Echika and their family? They sponsor you in which school? Don't aggravate me. Let me put the grammar. What's also you at school? Don't get me mad. Because after all, your elder brother, I paid your school fees. Of course. Did I not pay your school fees? Yes. 50,000 on Sunday, eh? And I even wish you congratulations. You know, every time you come, this is Chika, Chiwendo, and the Paukonko that you always use to refer to your family. We are not talking about them. We are talking about you being a queen. That's it. That is why we are here. All. If you want us to be shouting, I will be more louder than you. I'm very well. Then when I'm hot temper.
Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
Mama?
Are you hearing me? So if they want to call people that train people in school, and what you gave me 50,000 naira in Eko. You trained me in school. That 50,000 was it for handout? Was it for textbook? Was it for my hostel fee or lodge fee? What did you have that 50,000 naira before? When I call you on phone, you will tell me, my organizing business is not progressing. I'm not seeing money. Mamange. I remember calling you on phone. Nobody is buying vegetable. Okay. I will pluck vegetable, I will go to market, nobody is buying it. But you people are eating. Okay. You people are eating. Do you know how I fed? Do you know who gives me money? Let me tell you. Okongo placed me on monthly salary. And Titi Wendo buys all my pants, all my bra. She buys all. Echika buys clothes for me. He comes to my school every weekend with provision and foodstuffs. Did you come to my school? Do you know my school? Do you know where I lived in school? No, and you're here calling yourself my elder brother and my mother. You trained me in which school? Let me not say what I will say that I will regret it.
Get quiet, just shut it up there. Shut your dirty mouth. Close it up. Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you normal? What is your problem? You're running your mouth like a tap. What is wrong with you? Amaka? Amaka? Yeah? Yeah? Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. Papa,
you want me to be that queen? Maybe if you be that queen, it's very good. I'll be the princess, you be the queen. Onjo, if you marry the prince, is it a bad thing?
I don't like the way you're talking.
I will not marry the prince. I will not.
Mama,
the only thing that will make me that prince is when you put me out of this house. But for that, I will not marry the prince.
Mama, you know I have short temper. This temper now is rising, oh. I will beat you if you raise. Mama, say something now. Say something.
What do you want me to say?
Look at what I will see. If you open your mouth and talk to me, your elder brother or mama like this again, pull away. You can touch me.
What do you want to do?
Let me slap her.
You want to do what? Slap a future queen.
Let me calm down. Let me calm down because you're going to that palace.
Don't try.
You're going to that palace.
Yeah, one. I'm begging you. You are my daughter. You will marry the prince, don't worry. There's nothing wrong. You will have a good life. You will marry the prince. Oh?
Mama, Papa, you know what? Let me make it clear. Maybe you did not hear me before. Maybe you did not hear me before. This your hair is covering your ear. Let me make it clear. I will not marry the prince. I will not marry the prince. I'm going to marry Echika, whether you like it or not. I will not marry the prince. I will not marry the prince. You push better make up your mind. Who is going to marry the prince? Either you or you. Makamua, my hands. I wash my hands, my neck off it.
See, if we're gonna Echika, the relationship is over. Mama, if not that this, we have plan for the queen, for she to become queen. I have killed somebody.
Don't kill
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will see Echika. You see you. After you go inside, Abi. You and Echika relationship ends today. Today.
Calm down.
Don't worry, I'm coming. So,
Amaka, you will marry the prince whether you like it or not. Don't worry, I'm coming to meet him now.
Oh Lord! Hey! Oji, one level. Oji! No, it can't be possible. Oji! Oh, enemies! You're my only brother, you know that. Please come. Please wake up. Wake up! Oji! Hey! Gods of our land! Hey! Let's go. Hey! What? No! Oji! Hey! I'm coming. Hey. So I will soon embark on my search for her.
Hey! So that's the reason they want the land?
This is unbelievable. Papa, you mean the late king appeared to you while we were at the hospital?
Yes.
And told you the reason the family wanted to take our land?
Yes.
Hi, Papa, what else did he tell you? I feel like he told you lots of things. I knew something was wrong somewhere. This is our friendship title.
Yes, he told me much, but for now, I will have to hold that. All I want from you is to keep this secret to your heart. Let's watch their next move.
But Papa, he sent you to go and look for his old lover. How are you going to do? Do you even know the person?
I do not, but I believe that the gods will help me locate her. And if I see her, I know she has something to tell me.
Okonkwo,
Okonkwo, there's problem.
No problem. In fact, OJ has cardiac arrest. He can't even breathe. He can't even walk.
Hey.
What happened with him? There is trouble. We need you now. What happened to him? Okay, I saw him in his farm, lying like a dead wolf. We need you, Biko. Biko.
Okay. No, you can stay.
Biko. Let me go. Hey, audio.
I hope it's fine.
My sweet uncle. Why you go die now? Which can't it be this? Hi, my lovely uncle. Let's do this one. Oh. Hey! Hey! Hi!
So like this, Uncle Lodge is dead.
Hi!
Just like that, Papa.
He stepped on the charm in his farm.
Hey!
And that was it.
Chineke.
That was what the seer said.
Now, wow. Who can't do this kind of thing? How person go buy a fellow man? Because of land. But Uncle Oji safe. Leave people land in no agree. Leave people wives in no agree. Now they don't buy them. I go miss some more. This death is a very painful something. Oh. Uncle Oji.
This is unbelievable.
May his soul rest in peace. Oh.
Amen. Oh. Amen.
Hello?
Hello? Sister Chimendo? Yes. The princess is on her way coming.
You mean
Yes, she's coming. She's on her way.
Thank you. Now God go bless you for me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Chimo.
Sister, what is it?
They say person where they owe me money, they my shop. I won't go collect my money. Are they come?
Well, be careful. No, Papa, just like that. Uncle Lodge is dead. Stop his life.
You think you're mad? This princess thinks she's very, very, very mad. You see madness today. You see madness, correct madness today. Imagine you insult my own father. Hey! All hell will let loose. All hell will let loose. This mannerless princess. What kind of rubbish is this one? Imagine their father were to be alive. That means the princess and the brother will be beating that man. Oh, wahala sha. We will hear scores. You see today. We will hear scores.
You just stay from Galadima in this world, no, because you never see something. And you go for very fair.
You evil! You think your evil hands will prevail in this our kingdom? Oh, you think I'm afraid of you? Answer me!
Oh no.
Yes?
You are definitely dragging my patience.
I want to speak to my counselors now!
Until you remove your filthy hands from that land and your daughter tender unreserved apology to Ichie Okonkwo for assaulting him. If not, I promise you there will not be any meeting again in this kingdom.
What is this old fool blabbing about? What are you talking about? Are you now more powerful than my mother? And I
Answer me. Are you more powerful than my mother and I?
Young man, let me give you this adage. The son of a driver to the king can never be the king.
How dare you? How dare you? Do you want me to kill you?
Cannot kill me.
Do you want me to kill you?
You
Old man?
cannot kill me.
Guards!
Do you want me to kill you here?
Take him out of this palace!
What? Bring him back.
Come back.
You! Come back, old man.
You! Oh! Let me tell you this. You will never pay my king in this kingdom. I promise you that.
And let me assure you, I will be the king with you or without you.
And let me tell you that you will never pay.
Follow me. Come on, good man. Follow me. We'll beat you up.
You?
Chima! What has come over you? Have you lost your sanity? What?
Please!
No. You dare rob your know of this kingdom? Are you insane?
I will not stand here and allow that old fool insult royalty. No, I will not. So please!
You don't take laws into your hands!
Mother! Please!
A king's driver cannot be king. Why the adage? What was he trying to say? Was he trying to say, or am I the one thinking loud? No, I think there's more to this than I know. I need to do the needful. It's high time I made Chima the king. Yes, I will make him the king because I do not understand Onoru's assertion. A king's driver cannot be king. Yes, but Oyena was the king's driver.
Fire, royal attack. Chiwendi, Wanyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam bam. Anything you dare talk, now your matter.
Oh my word, who would do this rubbish? How am I supposed to pass? I don't even have any guard with me. Am I supposed to pick this nonsense? What?
I'm not telling you I'll catch you.
Did you do this because of me?
I'm not telling you if I catch you, I go wound you. You no fear, you tear my papa slap you. You no fear.
Hey, listen, I am not caught up for your madness, okay? Just take this out. I have somewhere I am rushing to. Please.
Ma clear you, you go collect woto today. I go wound you. People go hear the scores. Your minds go dead. What? You tear my papa slap. That man, I need to use and play. You enter my house, tear my papa slap.
Oh, what kind of rubbish is this? I'm not even with any guard.
You don't be. How do you want your punishment? How do you want your beating? Because I go beat you today. I go wound you.
Do you want to flog me? Are you forgetting that I am the princess? You want to embarrass me?
You see the talk, Abi? I don't get time for plenty talk. How do you want your punishment? Choose now. For your hand or for your back. Fast.
You want to flog me? Guards!
This side they follow you play. Choose fast.
Calm down. Be calming down, Chinwendu.
Where do you want it?
my ass, my bum bum bum. Please take it easy. It's quite
One,
expensive.
lie down fast. Lie on the car, fast.
Slow down, please. Just take it easy, okay?
The battle line has been too long. Anything you did.
Lie! Let me explain. Don't explain to give me that back. I go wound you.
You will kill me.
Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
I'm going to die.
Come this way.
Well, let me explain. Please calm down.
And I'm not vex me. I didn't vex you.
I'm going to
Lie
die.
down. Lie down.
But I told you that I will give you the list. Echika, I told you now that I'll give you this list. I will give you. If I said I will give you, I will give you. My brother, I don't like the way you're putting pressure on this thing. It is another pressure.
Ekene, the last time you told me this same thing, that you will give me list, that you give me up till today. I am still waiting for the list. Get them. Why the delay? What's happening now? Why the delay?
I will get it. I will get the list for you. Your blood is too hot.
Ekene, if you remember very well, the last time you
you gave me 5,000 naira. You took me to that bar.
So now what's the wait for now? You collected my 5,000. You collected a bottle of hot drink from me. You said it will help you to push it. What's the delay now? What's the delay?
Can you just imagine yourself? You want to be my in-law and you're raising voice. Why are you giving me this kind of attitude? I don't like this thing. Will I go to my uncle and use gun to collect the bride price list? It's my uncles that will give me the thing. I think you should calm down. I will give you this list now.
Ekene, I don't understand anymore. What is happening? As if you don't want me to marry your sister anymore. What is happening? Give me list, ordinary list that everybody will just draft and give you. My own, you keep postponing. I don't understand what you are.
But I'm not my uncles now. I'm not the one that to give me list. Will only one person, Ekene, to write list and give you. If I give you the list that in my head now, you cannot afford it. You can tell the motto. Calm down. They are the one to give list. I tell you, say, I will give you the list. Leave it. I have somewhere to go. My bet is cutting. I don't understand. I have somewhere to go, please.
So when am I expecting it?
See, I have your contacts. See, I have your two contacts on my phone. I will call you and give you the list. Because I'm not like you're shouting too much. Everything, you don't even allow me pass. You just block me. Because you're using your eyes to intimidate me. You big pass me. I don't like Kamo. Because I will call you. I have something to do. And my bet now call to go and every time list. I don't understand.
This is not fair at all. This is the same thing you told me the last time. You took money from me, you took drink from me, you still telling me the same thing. This is not fair. Check it now, you check it. What is all this now? And that list, people will just draft and give you so that I will know what I'm doing. You are busy telling me now, what is this one about? Huh? As if you don't want me to marry your sister. What is this one now? This is not fair. I'm telling you, this is not fair. You should give me the list. Do the right thing now. If you don't want me to marry your sister, so that I will know this one. Check it, oh. This is not fair. I'm telling you now. It's not fair. You delaying everything. You delaying me. You delaying yours. You delaying everything now.
Hello? Chima, where are you? I thought you were in the palace. What? Chima, where are you? Where? Hello? Where are you, Chima? Where are you? I need... Chima, do not call the phone. Do not call the call. Do not call. Let's call.
You just stay from Galadima. she never sees something. Anyaga Fumerife. Maka Anyagi Afumerife. Afumerife back.
Open the gate. Open the gate. And where do you think you're going? Sorry,
What is happening? Where is it?
Which one is scrampling again? I don't understand. What kind of grammar is that, scrampling?
Adesi, what's your matter? I wasn't talking to you.
I beg shift. It's your smelling mouth.
How dare you? Are you trying to say my mouth is smelling?
I don't understand.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
What is that for?
Leave me alone!
What is that for?
Leave me!
Don't turn that no social again.
What is that for? What do you want to do?
Stop!
Papa. Mama, give me my phone. Which phone? Mama, give me my phone.
Which phone?
Mama, give me my phone. You need my phone. Now, what's the problem now?
Don't speak on my head, though.
Mama, give my phone.
Which phone is that?
Mama, give my phone. Mama, your phone.
If I don't give you the phone, what will you do?
Mama, give my phone.
No, if I don't give you the phone, what will you do?
I'll put my hand and collect it, though. I'll put my hand and collect it, though.
I'm not giving you anything.
Mama, every time you people shouting, I'll give me. Mama, what is it?
Tell your mother to give me my phone.
Mama, what are you doing with her phone?
Why won't I boy? Chiamaka wants to go and tell Echika what we were planning. Chiamaka wants to run away from this community with Echika.
That's not possible, no.
How? A child that I carried in my womb for 10 months. 10 solid months. You refused to come out when it was 9 months. And you want to leave. You want to run to where? You are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. You will marry the priest, whether you like it or not. I carried you in my womb and I gave back to you. You are not going anywhere.
What is going on? That you're running away with who? Echika? Are you mad? I thought we have had this conversation now. Eh? Talk to me and you're looking
Talk to you. What do you want me to talk to you about? What do you want me to talk to you about? Mama, it's obvious that you hate me. All the love yours, Anya Sapelam na. Anya Sapelam. It has to hear that you hate me. It's obvious that you hate me. You, Mama. You that is supposed to be by my side. You know what I went through. You know what Icheka went through because of me. You're supposed to take the thing that I'm taking. I'm taking.
Ah, man, shut up. Take it away. Take it away, I'm asking you. Take it. Who is taking you? Who is taking my only daughter away? Shut it up. You're not going anywhere. If you try, Chiamaka, if you try it, I will send blow for you.
It's okay.
Chiamaka, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me.
Mama,
Chiamaka.
Mama, it's okay. Wait. Mama, calm down. You be setting blow.
I will kick you. Why won't I set blow?
You are setting blow for my mother. Are you mad? In Apuala. Which one is you're facing Mama with blow?
Mama,
are you mad?
I'm not fear.
Yeah. Madam, you know what? If you dare leave this house, so you want to elope. So after our sweat, because of want you to become a queen, become a good person. Hey, you don't want to be a queen. Are you a fool?
You can't become a queen now.
I would have spit on your face. Don't try me. Don't try me.
No, it's nothing you can do.
Don't try me.
Give my phone, oh.
See.
Tell me not to give my phone, oh. Tell me not to give my phone. If nobody will enter this house, oh. Nobody will enter this house, oh. Don't give my phone, oh. Come and carry me inside.
You want to fight me?
Come on, do you know what I did in NYSC? Do you know the thing I did in NYSC?
You can sing at school. You're a graduate. You want to show me that you can throw blow.
No, come on.
I'm leaving you because of you are going to marry the queen. I'm going to that where?
Give my thing, though. If you don't give my phone, nobody will enter this house.
I didn't see you.
Nobody will enter this house. You don't give my phone. Nobody will enter this house without giving my phone. Who's come and give my phone? No, who's come and give my phone? No, who's come and give my phone? Don't you come phone the more?
Hey, go in there, bring that thing to me, and give a 30-minute drill. Hurry! Rubbish.
Hey! Something wrong with you? If you don't leave my compound, I will slide you into it. Leave my compound right away.
How dare you? Bring me that daughter of yours, that bastard you gave birth to. Bring her here! I want to discipline her myself.
Out of my compound! Out of my compound right away!
This has not ended yet, old man. I'll come back. In fact, I know where to get your daughter. I will deal with her.
Just get out of my compound.
Old cacafuego.
Get out!
Do I look like I'm scared of you?
I said, get out of my compound.
Stupid!
If you come here again, I will... Come on, get out of me.
Brothers!
Get out.
Old man!
Just leave my compound!
Who is doing that? Greetings, my queen.
Is my daughter here?
It's your daughter. She's not here.
Is my daughter here?
She's not here, my queen.
You better be telling me the truth.
But that is the truth now.
I hope so. We retarded people everywhere.
Here. Here. This royal family. What is this now?
What did happen for you?
The palace. The palace.
Why? Okay, you're the man. What did happen for here? What did they stop for this place? What did they man by this now? What did it is? I go break on my head. Stop them and come here. It's a threat. Put them mad. For this place. Who carry me come here? Hey, Ajay, blood go flow. Who carry me come this place? Hello? How be police cell be this? Hey! Open this place! Who locked me here? Ajay, if not come at me from this place, eh? I go bring down this palace. Open this gate. What be this?
Mother, read my lips. That girl must rot in that cell. Nothing will stop me from teaching her a lesson. I swear by the gods, she must die. Chiwendo must die. She had the guts to touch me. The effrontery to attack me, the princess of this land. Is she mad? Tell her that this is just the beginning. She's yet to see the product I am made of.
Young lady, I do not want any trouble of any kind. I do not want any trouble of any kind. Do you understand that?
Do I look like I'm scared? Are you forgetting that I am the princess of this kingdom? I want trouble. Tell her to bring it on. I keep to my...
It's all right. Ichie, what are your plans? I mean, your plans as regards to the land.
My brother Oji is dead, all because of that land. You don't tell me that you nor your mother have not heard that I lost my brother Oji because of that land.
You are stupid.
Huh?
Very, very stupid. What is wrong with you? What has the death of your brother has to do with the land? No, tell me. Did I kill your brother? Am I the one to bury your brother? Talk to me. Tell me.
My prince, I am disappointed. Yes, I am highly disappointed. My queen, my hands are off from that land. The money, I don't want it again. I don't want to get involved in that land again.
Lies. You lie, you old fool.
Also?
Shut up. What is your problem? What is the color of your problem, you cacafuego? You are to deliver this job and you must get it done. Only if my mother will allow me to handle it my way, your brother would have been long gone. Silly. Get out! Get out!
Moa, get out!
Get out! Stop! Cacafuego. Echo. Silly. Rubbish.
The land has been barricaded with Omo.
I removed it. Everything.
I am trying to tell you that I saw it today. They have replaced it. And I do not want you to remove it. We have enough problem as it is. Do not remove the Omo.
What problem are you talking about, mother? We agreed to take this land. What is wrong with you, mother?
Nothing is wrong with me. Ono has sworn. He has sworn to use everything within his power to make sure you don't become the king of this land in the next few weeks.
Really?
That is the problem.
No.
Problem.
No. That will not happen. That will not happen at all.
Yes, they are planning for it to happen. Ichie Okonkwo and Ono are putting heads together to make sure that you will not become king. But son, relax. I want you to do me just one favor. Get me a wife for yourself. A woman you would want to become the queen of this kingdom, and I will make you the king over everyone. I will make sure you rule this kingdom.
Really?
Just get me a wife for yourself.
Really? How is that even possible? The Lord do not permit it. Hey, watch your tongue. Do not promise what you can't fulfill.
You watch your tongue, young lady. I, Queen Dora Ugeze, said I will crown my son the king of this kingdom. Just get me a wife as soon as possible. Let me know who will stand by my way.
Yes, I will be the king. The king of this land. It is a must.
Look at what they do to my sister's shop, Papa.
What is going on here?
Look at what the human beings do to my sister's shop.
What is the meaning of this?
Imagine everything there ground. All her goods, everything there ground.
Look at the grass.
Sister,
why?
Chiwando.
Where is she?
Chiwando not here, Papa.
She's not here.
She's not here. Look at what the human beings do to my sister business. Eh? These heartless people, look at what they do. Look at everything there ground. Papa, I'm not gonna take this one, no. Is it this one? I'm not gonna take her. Chiwando.
The only place she can be right now must be in the palace. Because the people that did this are those useless palace touts.
Papa,
yes.
What are we waiting for now? Let's start going to the palace now. They must provide my sister now.
Let's go, please.
They must provide my sister. Look at what the human beings do. Papa, look this thing. Let's pay in jail like this. Let's go. They're crazy. They go pay for everything. No sense.
Open this gate! Queen Adora! Hey, I laugh in Spanish. You just won't bring calamity come this kingdom. If you don't open this place, I go burn this place, oh! I know well, oh!
You dare try to remove me and my son from what we have worked for all these years. You must be delusional to think that it will work.
Because of land, now you carry me come put for this place. You know, say you know they get yourself as queen? Because of land will not be your own. Command me from this place now, otherwise I go scatter this place. Remove me from here! You dey mad? Queen Adora! I go, command me from this place!
I like your guts, you know. Actually love your guts. But the battle line has been drawn. And you will hear from me pretty soon. You will hear from me!
Okay. this place now! Which kind of nonsense be this? Which kind of oppression be this?
So what happened? Sister Chiwendu is very, very, very strong. The woman is very, 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 very active. If you see the way she was fighting, they should have allowed her to tear some skins. I don't know how she did it. I think she's a prison breaker.
My babe with the premium. Bet me. Let us bet. I will tell the queen that you are not a fan.
A fan how? Did I say anything?
We are not talking about anybody. You are a rebel in this kingdom and you should be punished for that.
Me?
You!
I'm
not
going
to die.
Ezeke, come! Did I tell you anything?
We're not talking about anything.
I don't know. This girl, see, me, I don't leave you.
What is even
I
wrong
don't know.
with this girl?
I don't know. No way. No. This can't be true. How did she get the key? How did she break out? No. This is not true. I'm not going to take it. But we saw the cell open. How come Chuma has the key? A guard helped her to escape. Someone must be responsible for this. I'm certain. She's not a ghost, and I'm sure she does not have any power to disappear from that cell.
Chiwendu, please, you have to calm down. I'll pay for the damage, but you really need to calm down, please.
I can see that my family is no longer safe in this kingdom. And as for you, Chiwendu, why did you go attacking the princess? You had her beaten up and fed her with sand. Why?
What?
Isha! Correct.
Shut up there.
I'm sorry, sir.
Chiwendu, you did that?
I did the worst. I flogged the princess like small pikin. I deal with them well. I tell am say I go come for her. She thinks I dey joke. She no fear. She slap my papa. She no fear. She get that moral, slap my papa. It don't be oh. And I go do second coming oh. Because she destroy my shop. Come put me for her boots. No, my second coming go bad. You go hear this cause now.
Sister Chiwendu, only you now.
I said shut up.
I'm sorry, sir.
And how did you even break the key? You want to wound your hand?
It's so simple, sir. Very simple. I did it smoothly.
Queen Adora! Remove me from this place! Hello?
What be this?
Remove me from this place, otherwise I go fall this building, make everybody kukuma die. Queen Adora! Adora! Adora!
Sister Chiwendu, calm down. I'm coming to get the key. I'm coming. Just hold on.
Okay.
No shout, just keep quiet. I'm coming.
No go shout again. No go shout again. Too much. Chop no go. You correct chick. I go lie for you. Oh.
I really appreciate and you will be rewarded. But my love, you have to stop this fight, please.
You see that fight? It no go stop. I must continue with that princess.
Will you stop that? You want me to break your head?
Papa, I no go stop. That princess on too much. She destroy my business. Since she no get business, why I go destroy her life. I go finish her.
Supported.
My love, you have to take things easy, okay? There are other ways to resolve this.
I no go take am easy. That princess must collect woto from my hand. Make her no talk sha. My second coming go bad.
I trust you, sister. I trust you.
Congo, my brother, please forgive me. Biko, you know you are my brother, my only brother now. Forgive me. Yes, please forgive me. You know you are my brother.
What happened?
Let me confess.
Confess?
Yes. I want to tell you why the queen wants your land. I am done trying to make it happen. Huh? Biko, forgive me. Biko.
You say they don't betray you.
I am sorry. That is why I have come to confess. Biko, no. My brother, please forgive me.
Oh no, I've contacted my son based on our discussion. As soon as he comes back to Nigeria, I'm going to have this conversation with him.
Good. You know, this is culture. And we not like to do anything that will anger the gods.
You are right. But just that I am worried. I don't know how my son will feel about this whole thing.
Don't worry, my queen. I will help you to convince him.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Also, I celebrate the simplicity of your wisdom and your way of understanding.
It's okay. I understand everything. You know, I wouldn't want anything bad to happen to us or anyone else.
It's all right.
Thank you so much. My son, you need to come back home. Yes, all is well. No, your brother told me he spoke with you last week. Please, I am begging you. Do not fail your mother. Is that a promise? I'll be expecting you soon. All right. Take care of yourself. Love you, son. God, please help me.
Guards! Guards!
Yes, my princess.
How could you? 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 Are you serious? I know that. What is wrong with you? Control yourself. No, you don't tell me to do that. Imagine the secret and his colleagues. I saw what happened in the CCTV. Your colleague was sleeping, Chuma was sleeping, and Adese took the key from him and opened the cell. You were there, stupidly sleeping. How can you employ all these incompetent fools in this palace?
And where is Adese? Where is Adese? Where is she?
My queen, she ran out of this palace. She said that she can no longer work here.
Hey, go to her father's house and fetch that animal for me. Do you understand me?
Yes, my princess.
Hey, come back here and get me that Chuma. That good for nothing idiot. No. Get him for me too. I want to discipline him myself. He will have a touch of Adure today. Run!
Yes, my princess.
Don't bring Adese. Let her be.
Why? Get me Chuma.
Yes, my princess.
These people there.
Oh.
I wish I can break out of this. I just wish.
I don't feel we're doing anything bad. I don't feel anything. This is our word and our choice.
Are you being serious right now? How can I be sleeping with you, my own sister, and also my future wife on the same roof? Why? How? Like how?
You worry too much. I've told you. Okay, fine. I'm going to say it again. I've given you my consent. You can go ahead and get married.
No. Please. I beg you. You need to get married and leave this kingdom. Leave this world.
Do you want me dead? Leave to where?
I don't know. I'm confused, honestly. See, you need to get yourself a boyfriend. Alright? This whole thing we're doing has to stop. We have to stop it.
Hey. Bro. Baby. This must not stop. Because I enjoy every bit of it.
Hey. Please, I beg you. Try and get a boyfriend and get married. Right? Please.
I regret bringing you to my kingdom. I wish I'm still alive. Your ways and that of your children keep hurting me even in death. You have been taking Chima to a great herbalist far away from home because you want to make him the king.
But here is the hair, and no one can take it from him.
I'm happy that you know who the hair is and that no one can take it from him. But destiny is staring at you.
I know the hair. Nklang. The very first time I'm seeing my husband in my dream, he already knows everything.
I couldn't find the woman, but I'll keep trying until I find her. Chiwendu.
Papa?
I feel that you are no longer safe in this village. So you need to be very, very careful. Because you're stepping on the toes of our enemies. So as things stands now, I want you to stop your business and then travel to Lagos to stay with my uncle's wife. When the tide calms down, you can come back.
Papa, no try am. I no fit. I pin, no leave, no transfer. I'm not gonna leave my business because of one queen, one royal family. We no get coordination, we no they get themselves, we no get sense. I no try am. Sure?
But sister, I think Papa has a point here.
I said I will not leave this place. Good night, everybody.
Chiwendu. Papa, it's okay. I will talk to her. But you have to be very careful. We all know that the Royal family doesn't want us alive. The queen obviously has a plan. Biko, be very careful with them when you go out there to meet them. So my sister will talk to her. She'll be fine.
I just hope so.
Papa, going to sleep, eh? Catch you for long. I'll see you later. Okay.
Don't tell me that. Where is she?
What is your problem?
Where is that thing that lives in this house with you?
You better leave here now.
For what? I'm not going anywhere.
Right now.
I am not going anywhere. I heard she lives in this house. Bring her out. I want to teach her a lesson myself.
You don't want to see my bad side, right?
Oh,
leave
wait.
now.
Hey, listen, I command you to give me that thing that lives in this house with you.
You have to leave now.
I am
I'm
not
serious
going
about
anywhere.
that. What is wrong with you?
Stop it! Where is she? Bring her out.
You look like me. Leave now.
What can you do?
What did they happen for her? What did they call for this place?
Babe.
What did they happen? What did she do for this house?
Babe,
Hey, what are you doing in my man's house?
You say?
What have you been doing here?
What be your man?
Him. Are you okay? You did. What kind of rubbish is that? You did. What are you doing in my man's house? You did mad. What are you doing in my man's house? You did. You did mad.
Wait,
You did mad.
just wait.
Leave it for here.
Babe, just
Leave it. Hey, this has not ended. This has not ended. Look at this silly thing.
Calm down. It's okay, babe. Babe, just...
Oh, this is up now. You don't let this girl run.
Okay. Relax.
What if it this now? You don't make this girl run. That's why they find you for. Allow me to divorce this girl.
Baby, it's okay, please. You will do that another time. Just sit down, okay? Please.
Which kind of nonsense be this?
Babe, it's okay. Just calm down, please. Just calm down.
Why you not let me pan a bit Sam now?
Babe, please.
You for let me bone Sam.
Babe, it's okay. Just have a seat, please. Okay? Babe.
Hey, God.
This is just a token. More will come if you abide by what we discussed.
Hey! EJ!
You mean this guy?
EJ!
Yes.
EJ!
For you, your family. Sometimes take you anywhere. Check around. Look at it.
Mama?
It's brand new.
Hey, Mama!
Brand new car.
Mama! Mama, what? My prince. Hey! You mean this guy is for me? This guy is for me. My prince.
Yes.
My prince.
But don't be overly excited. Huh? Like I said, can you come listen to me?
Yes, my prince. I'm with you. Mama.
I brought this car so you can do your job. Yes. Know what I told you? Failure attracts consequences.
No failure. No failure. No failure.
No failure.
No failure. Ah! I don't go my prince. Hey, Mama. Hey. I'm up with one. Mama. Mama, hey. Mama, wait. Mama, tell no. My love, this is not true. Young man, I hope those two things planted beside your head are functional. So you heard her loud and very clear. She has forgiven the prince. The prince wants to marry her. Just come, let me ask you one question. If this girl is your sister, what would you have liked for her?
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Amaka, is this a movie or what? What is happening here?
It's not a movie. No, it's a content. Can't you see we are shooting content? Even the director. And this is the props. This is the car. We are shooting content here. Mama, look at this adult too. I don't want to see Echika. What is your problem? This is madness. I am telling you that The prince said you should go and calculate all you spent on my sister's head. And he's going to pay. If you're now, you're making this thing an issue. Mama, is this an issue? Is this an issue? Biko, Biko. I don't understand. I don't sit down. You know, grimy. I stand up. You know, grimy. Guy, I don't understand you. I don't understand you. I'm telling you.
This is not true, Amaka. Please tell me that what is happening here is not true. What they are telling me is not true. Amaka, please talk to me. After everything, please look me in the eyes and tell me that what they are saying is not true. Amaka, look here. This is the job in Lagos. It's the appointment letter for the job. My boss already come back, gave me the appointment letter. The house is waiting for us there in Lagos, Amaka. You cannot just change your mind like this, Amaka, please. This is not fair at all. Amaka, the job is waiting for you. Our apartment is waiting for you. You cannot just throw away 8 years of our relationship. Just like that. Amaka, please now. Obi chukumekwa anoga Amaka, Bikon. I was even going to leave my shop for your brother. He can continue managing when we are gone.
Ogaton that fire you. Mama, look at this. Mama, you're just using eye to scatter this guy. Look at, leftover shop for me. You want to leave your small kiosk, that small thing, for me, as what? Appreciation to marry my sister. Makagene, when Prince Chima promised to send me abroad, my heart desire, I carry Europe, and you come here to open your gutter mouth to tell me that I have all temper. I don't want to stammer. You know,
he's a madman. Are you not seeing him? Looking at him from up down. He's a madman. It's as if you are deaf. The prince has said you should go and calculate every dime that you have spent on my daughter. He's going to pay. And let me remind you, add more. Add more. Because as I'm looking at you, you are very close to your destiny.
Please, say something. Can I just keep quiet, Amaka? Look at what your family is telling me, Amaka.
I'm sorry.
Amaka, you cannot. Amaka!
Hey, Chika! You see what you have caused? No, you see what you have caused. My sister, to cry for you. Come on. This is emotional blackmail now. Mama catches. Yeah, emotional blackmail. Come on, go. Yeah, now, go. What? The devil wants me to use you and try I will not go to jail because of you. Go. I am telling you. I'm telling you. Mama,
what is this?
Look at this boy, I'm not just on
Mama, calm down. There's no more to do.
Let me see you here again. Okay, we should leave this motor. We should leave car and follow this useless boy. Sit down. If you allow me to, I can't tell you see. No, I just want to, the guy is just taking my time. This is another man. What would you have done with it?
My prince. No, my prince, no! Ah, my prince, no, my prince.
I command you. Raise your skirts.
No, my prince, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
You mad?
My prince! Somebody help me! My prince!
Chima! You molest my subject again in this kingdom. Are you mad? I can see you have gone mad.
My king, why are you always interrupting my good moments? Why? Why are you always coming when you never invited? She is also my subject, and I can do anything I deem fit with her.
I can see you have gone mad. I can see you are crazy. That will not happen under my roof.
Father, are you sleeping with this ugly thing? Because I don't know why you always come to my house.
You mad or crazy? What is wrong with you? And you? I don't want to ever see you in his room again. If I ever see you here again, I will banish you from this kingdom. And don't ever attend to his needs, because I can see you are done. Chima, this will be the last time I will see you in this condition, or I will show you.
Father, if you're not sleeping with her, if you're not sleeping with her, you will not come to for her every now and then. You are doing it secretly. What is this? Only her. Just her. Others are giving. She has to give me. I am the prince. And I can do anything I deem fit with my subject. Kai. Just 1 minute. I was just close.
No, I will never do it. Never. Over my dead. In fact, I'd rather die than to sleep with that beast. I will never do it. The only thing I want to do now is to raise money and take my jam and go to school. I'm even tired, self.
Wait, so are you sure of what you just said? That you'll never open your leg for that beast?
I'm not joking when I said it. That man does not look like a beast. He's the beast. He's a monster. And I cannot see myself doing that rubbish.
If that be the case, then here. Thank you. It's money for your jump. Go and get your jump form, and I'm sure you will not disappoint me. You'll come out well. My sister helped me to raise the money. Counting it's complete.
Yes.
Yes. For your jump form.
Thank you. Thank you.
My love, listen. I need you to go to school. My family and I are in love with you. And we are ready to stand by your family and make sure you attain any level of education. I believe you will not disappoint us.
I will not.
You are too smart. You are too smart to be wasteful. You are too intelligent to be wasteful. You cannot waste just like that. See, I promise you today, my love, I will make sure I go to any length to see that you finish your school. Yes. See, let me promise you something. Even if it takes me selling my only plot of land for you to go to school and come out. Even if you want to go to do your master's as well, do the PhD, whatever, I will make sure you do that. I'll stand by you, true.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. So where are you going to now?
I'm going to the jump center.
Huh? You want me to escort you?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
by the power vested of me as the queen of this kingdom. I pronounce you king and lord of Munze kingdom.
My queen, congratulations.
Umunze kwenu.
Congratulations, bro.
Umunze kwenu. Umunze kwezono.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
My king.
Finally, you're in my bed as my queen.
Yes, my king.
Indeed, all women are cheap. Very, very cheap. Once you have money and what they want. They be on your feet, my
My king, I don't understand.
You will not understand. Very soon, you will. Princess, what is it? Why this straight face?
Just after your coronation.
Yes, so? Talk to me. What is it?
Mother is dead.
No. No! No. Are you joking? What? Are you joking? Mother is what? Hey. Don't joke with me. Mother is what? Mother! Excuse me. Mother!
I don't understand. What is your problem? What I want to know exactly what your problem is. Ogini, you keep on asking questions that are very, very relevant. I invited you to a coronation. What is your business with you did not see Onowu, you did not see a village people? Are they owing you? I told you that coronation will start by midnight. So what is your problem?
Yeah, so it's midnight party. And we know you cannot stay. Iman Lalo. In fact, come and start going. Or let me just drop you at the junction. Kefo keke nawa from there gawaba ebube. That's simple and short.
Ugodia, why is everything happening so fast? Why will you carry the party that's supposed to be in the afternoon and put it at night? Why? Is that an occultic party?
Are your mates not cultists?
Oh, Juba.
You see, are you afraid of cult? Call it whatever you want to call it. Cultism, cult, add them together. Any name you want to give to them, give it to them.
You should have let me know that you're trying to put me into cultists.
Are you, that is why I'm asking you, Okafor, are your mates not cultists?
Traditionally, Ono crowned the king and the Lolo. Go there. Why would the queen crown them? No villagers, no chief priest, no. Why?
Uncle, our culture is not...
Ekene, what is your problem? Why are you talking as if you're halfway sleeping? Are you alive?
Yes.
Then open your mouth and talk.
Uncle, let me tell you something. Our culture, it's not, what is it called? It's not rigid.
Bam.
It's flexible. It changes. Our queen can crown anybody. Shut up. Shut up. Okay.
What do you know about tradition?
Enough, your brother.
What do you know about tradition, Ekene? Huh? We have been telling you that I don't get by that tradition. Huh? Even Queen Elizabeth cannot do it.
You didn't hear what I said. I said even Queen Elizabeth in those days, he appoints the president, leaders, world leaders. In those days, it happened.
So I had to bring them here for this important meeting. Gentlemen, he is the rightful owner of the parcel of land in question. I am very sorry that I took you people to the palace. I never knew that the queen had a hidden agenda. She wanted to snatch the land from him at all costs. If I did, I would have not taken you people there. Honestly, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Finally, we have met with the real owner. However, we have been in doubt regarding to this because of Queen's mannerism towards the land. But meeting him, and I believe we can do a good business with him.
Like I said earlier, on that plot of land, there is no sign declaring it for sale. That means that my land is not for sale.
Sir, please, we are ready for lease. The company is ready for lease, sir. Please. In fact, the company can avail herself the opportunity of, getting into any agreement with you, sir. Just name your price. Yeah. We'll pay. Please. Don't just say no to us. That maybe we'll not mount our mask on that line, sir. Please, sir. Please. We really need that land, sir. Please. Just name your price.
Well, from the angle you're coming, I'll have to speak with my children about it and get back to you. Again, on the condition that it is about leasing, the land is not for sale. Is that clear?
It's okay. Okay, sir. No. Thank you, sir. It's okay, sir.
Ichiobasi. What happened? That is not possible. She cannot do that. The gods of our land will visit her instantly. Are you serious that she's dead? You are serious? Oh, what is it?
What is it, Papa?
The queen is dead. She died after crowning her son the king of this community.
Enough is enough. The fly that does not listen to advice will always follow the corpse to the grave. So there's no problem. Can we continue with our discussion, please?
This is indeed surprising. Everyone is in shock. My whole family is still in shock as Indeed, my ugly dream came true. life, they say, is full of surprises and turns. And one should always expect the unbelievable.
Echika, is this why you stopped me? Are you done?
Sam.
Echika, I'm a queen now. I'm no longer your queen. I'm somebody else's queen. Move on. Take the 5 million naira my husband offered you and move on.
Sam, you are my queen. Not his queen. Mine. I don't know, but please, try and reconsider this decision you've made, Bikon. Let us try to sort things out and find a way to move on from this. It's heartbreaking. My heart still cries every day. I'm no longer me. Bikon.
Echika, I'm his queen, not yours. I'm not even supposed to be seen outside here with you. Take the 5 million naira my husband offered you and move on. Look at you, from head to toe, you need the 5 million. Now let's calculate what 5 million naira can do for you. Your business, your sister's business. She will have a very big eatery. I'm sorry things turned out this way, but understand it the way it is.
Sam, Bikon.
Okay, 10 million.
Sam, 10 million is not you. Please, you are the one that I want, Sam Bikon. You are the one that I heart yearn for. You are the one that you know I live for you, Asa. This thing you're doing is not good. It's killing me. It's taking life out of me, Bikon. Reconsider. Biko, you are the one I want.
I'm sorry. That's the only thing I have to say.
Asam Bikon. Obim.
You said you came from the kingdom, right?
Yes.
That must be a far journey, and I'm sure you have overstressed yourself.
Obviously. I have been on my way for the last 1 month and 2 weeks searching for her.
I see.
Oh no, you said I have.
Kwichoma.
My goodness. George Okonkwo.
Wow.
What are you doing here? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
Thank you. And that is why I am here.
Like I said before now, you're highly welcome. Exactly what I was deliberating with my honor.
Truly the gods are not men. Your story is as the same as the one I, the queen and the elders have been discussing on. And Hassan will soon be here.
That's good. When is the coronation?
Oh, few days from now. But you'll back in Nigeria tomorrow latest.
Okay. That's all right.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I am so happy to see you after so many years. Honestly, I miss our friendship. Igwe Dikeh was my old lover. A man of peace and justice. But it was quite unfortunate that his parents never liked me. So we parted ways immediately after our graduation from the university.
Yes, I know the story. It was indeed a sad one. But we give the gods, all the thanks for sparing our lives.
Sure. So please, be patient. Your lunch will soon be served by my chef. Oh no, Please take care of him.
Thank you, my queen.
What? Come down here. Bring the key. Bring the key. Are you normal?
Imagine, why did you enter our house and carry the key that you saw on the table?
The king that sent us.
You just see car key and carry it. Is it your house?
But the king asked us to bring back the car to the palace.
Yes. Why? What purpose? What's the why?
Yeah, can you wait? Did you take any alcohol? Are you just hold on? Let me ask you. Do you know who I am?
Who are you? Who are you?
Palace. Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! I am the mother to the king's wife.
And so?
And I'm the brother. It's my in-law. And you come here to carry key. In Apala. Look at this urchin so.
It's him and so. Brother. You're speaking English.
Queen, my food.
Let me have that key. Give me that key.
Don't even go there. Don't even try because I'm going to behead you. Who are you? Yeah? No. Mama.
Hey, what?
Yeah? The king said that we should take this car from you. And that is what enter this car.
Mama, this one, they are serious. So.
You are an idiot. You are looking at me and they are going.
Wait, he's the king.
You are looking at me and they are going.
Ekene!
Ekene!
See! I'm respecting the king, go. What this guy? Mama! This guy is going on. He's saying, Mama. What? Let me call my sister. Don't worry, relax. I want those guards, man. Let me call Chiamaka. No, let me call Queen Chiamaka. I don't know why which kind of mad people be this now? Eh?
Ekene?
Don't worry, don't ekene me. This guy is coming back. Let me call my sister. What is this? Ah.
Hello, Ekene?
Hello. Mama, calm down. Queen Chiamaka, it's me, your elder brother now. You don't know my number again? Yes. I was inside though. Then I saw these two guys. Before I would say what happened, I thought you even gave them money to bring for us. Listen, they just grabbed Mama's car key.
What? Calm down. Why will you do that?
They just carry the key and said that your husband asked them to come and carry the car. How? For what? We don't need service. Now brand new car now. Eh? Hello? Yes, your husband. They have gone. Yes. Hello? Mama?
You're an idiot.
Don't worry.
You're an idiot.
I know. Don't
They're
worry.
standing here, they took away the car.
It's an order from our in-law. Let me go to the palace. I will find out. I'm coming. I'm coming. I want to know what gave those people right.
Why would I take my friends? That I had a car overnight in the car. Twinkle, little star. Chai.
Why would the prince ask the guards to take the car he bought for my mother? Wait a minute. Is this a trap? You tell me why you call it. Oh God!
No, I think. What have you done?
I did nothing.
You did what?
Nothing.
I saw you. You drugged her.
No, I didn't touch her.
Shut up your mouth. I saw you with my eyes. Why would you do that? Shut up!
Babe? Baby! Ah! You killed my wife!
I didn't touch your wife!
You killed my wife.
I did not kill your wife.
You did!
I didn't!
I saw you!
No!
You shot me.
I didn't touch her!
You did! You're very stupid! Why would you do that?
You're stupid too! Why did you lock your door?
Stop!
Your door!
In my way, this is delicious.
Mom! I'm home!
Son!
Mom!
Oscar?
George! What?
Kunchung, is he your son?
Yes, my first son. Do you know him?
Small world.
What are you doing in my kingdom, sir? This is strange.
Are you a prince?
Yes. But I kept a low profile because I just want to live a normal life. I never wanted to reveal my identity as a prince. Mom, this is Chiwendo's father, the girl you spoke to on phone a few days ago.
What a striking coincidence.
Everything is beginning to make sense to me now.
Welcome, son.
Thank you. My George, you're welcome. Nice to see you, sir.
Yeah.
My prince, you're welcome. Thank you. Mother, why did you keep this away from me all this while?
Please, my prince, do not blame your mother. You are not of this kingdom. You are of the same kingdom with Ishi Okonkwo here. He was assigned by your father to come and look for you. And that is why he's here.
My son, honestly, I'm sorry. I never knew I was pregnant for your father when we separated. We were in our final year in the university. But I got to discover that I was pregnant 2 weeks after we separated. Then my husband was seriously coming asking for my hand in marriage. I accepted. But my mother advised me not to let my husband or anyone know that I was pregnant for another man. My husband, wherever he is now, would think you are his biological son. But Alfred and Eva are his biological son. I intend taking the secret to my grave, why they crown you the king of this kingdom. But the gods are indeed very wise. They revealed the secret to Onowu here who came telling me about it. Oh no. I just want you to explain to me the reason you said my son, Prince Oscar, will not be the next king of this kingdom. Why? Make me understand.
My queen, Alfred will be the next king.
Oh no. You have always known me to be a queen of justice, peace, and love, right?
Of course I know. But I want you to remember that you came into this palace with a strange child in your womb. I do not want to raise any dust. Call the elders in council. Let them know that Alfred, our blood, will take over the throne after the money of our late king, your husband. The gods have revealed everything to me. If I crown Prince Oscar
our next king, the whole kingdom, including the royal family, will be plagued by the gods. I don't want to bring any problem to this kingdom. Good day. May the gods guide your steps.
I am sorry. Son, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Prince Oscar, you must go back to your land and claim your father's palace. What Ishia Okonkwo here told us simply means that destiny awaits you there. That evil queen is dead and her children are not royal blood. You must go and reclaim your kingdom. The gods are with you.
I miss you. I'm going to miss you. And you know I love you, right? I miss my son, my first blood, my husband's yet. But I want you to know that I'll keep praying for you. And you must win.
Yes, mother. I will, mother. I promise you. Prince Oscar, my kingdom awaits you. Let us go.
George, please, I beg you. Take care of my son for me. Please.
The God shall be with you.
Amen.
You're welcome. Welcome to my humble abode.
Oscar, give me praise.
Yes, the gods confirmed it.
Yes, my love. I am sorry that I hid it from you all this while. I was hoping for the right time to open up to you. And I believe now is the right time.
Sure. So you be prince of our kingdom.
Yes. Meet my mom, Queen Doris Choma Onoha.
Hey,
And this is the Onowu of my stepfather's kingdom.
my daughter. Good to see you in person. Come here.
See you, ma. Good evening,
You're
ma.
so beautiful. Good
Thank you, ma.
evening.
Oscar,
My love.
make I hug you now.
My love. Now that the stars are smiling at us, now that everything has been revealed, please, my love, be my queen. Let us rule our kingdom together. My love, be my wife.
Who I be?
Say yes.
Before uncle. Yes, so I be your wife. Oh. Congrats. Thank you.
Now you are talking, my brother. The true king. You know, this is our world. This is our kingdom. This is us. We have everything in it. So we have to protect our kingdom, right? You are a true king. A king you are, my love.
Thank you. Drink.
Oh, shit.
Drink, my dear sister.
You know, I remember vividly that you never loved her.
Yes.
So we should prepare a befitting funeral for our mother, dear queen.
Keep drinking. Drink, my dear sister.
You know, you can get as many wives as you want.
Yes. Drink more. Fine wine.
Oh, what? What did you do to my drink?
I poisoned your wine. You killed my wife. She was pregnant for me. Pregnant with my unborn child, and you killed her. It's time for you to die. Die, dear sister. Die! Yes, this will end your addiction, your obsession, and hate. Die well, my sister. Die! Yes. In your next life, make sure you do not come back here with addiction and obsession with hate.
Your Highness, I want to see my sister. That is why I'm here. I want to see my sister, for goodness sake. You cannot ask the guards to come and collect the car you bought for my mother, and you still restrict me from seeing my sister. Her car is parked outside here. That means she is in this palace. I want to see my sister. That is why I'm here. Period.
Ekene, go home. You are talking to a madman. A mad king.
I am not living here. Chiamaka! 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 Your Highness, this marriage is dissolved. This marriage is dissolved as long as I'm concerned. This marriage is no longer going to function because I can't see the reason why you will embarrass me, embarrass my family, and now restricts us from seeing my sister. This marriage is over. It's over. I'm not leaving this palace without my sister. Chiamaka! Chiamaka! I'm going with my sister. I'm going with Chiamaka!
Your sister is dead. My own sister killed her, and I killed my freaking sister. You were both pregnant for me. I killed her. Yes, I killed her.
Your Highness, you are joking. You must be a dead joker. You cannot kill my sister. Oh my man. Oh my man. Chiamaka! 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 You are a dead... Chiamaka! What are you telling me? It's not possible. Chiamaka, come back! Oh!
next life. Mind your business.
Ogini, what is happening? Ekene is not picking my calls. Chamaka is not picking my calls. What's going on? It's getting late already. I hope they are safe.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Ekene, what is it? Ekene, what is it? Ekene, what is it? What is it? What happened to you? Talk to me. Ekene, talk to me. What is it? Ekene, talk to me. What happened to you? Ekene? What is it?
Stima stabbed me.
Stima stabbed you? Ekene?
His sister, Princess Adura.
Talk to me, Ekene, what is it?
She killed Chamaka.
Killed who? Yeah! Ekene! Ekene, wake up! Wake up, Ekene, wake up! Wake up! Shima! 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 Yeah!
Look at what you did to yourself. Just look how you ended up, Amaka. What did you gain? Can you be the queen now? Can you drive the cars as you wish? Wear the fine clothes and spend all the money as you wanted? Just look at how empty you've become, lying lifeless. Amaka, this is bad. She would have been alive and in love, but you were greedy and heartless. Then you paid the price with your own life. My beautiful Amaka is no more. No, I forgive you. I forgive you, my love. And you will forever remain in my heart.
Wickedness. See how wickedness has this repercussion. She's dead and smelling, rotten. I wish people can learn from this. Okay. Let's go.
Greetings, the people of Umunze. Today is a very special day indeed. And now let the celebration begin. Music, please.
You just stay from Galadina in this world, no, because she never sees something. Anyaga for very fair. Maka anyagi afu very fair. Afu we fair back ya. Maka anyagi afu very fair. Afu we fair back ya. Just the phone, Deputy Jesus. Maka anyagi afu very fair. Just the phone. Of This life is a race, one and always start it with a deep breath and always enjoy every moment of it. Love, carry people along with you. Love, carry people along one day. Makaneri charanu usabunu wao. Don't use your position or press anyone because devil might turn around tomorrow. Don't use your position or press anyone because devil might turn around tomorrow. Don't use your position or press anyone because devil might turn around tomorrow. Don't use your position. Fire, 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 royal attack. Chiwende, Manyika Wakike. The battle line has been drawn. Bam, bam. Anything you dare talk, now your matter. I'm well upon your sender. It's on Kokasi, Akakasiba. I'm well upon your sender. It's on Pekasi, Akakasiba. That thing where you want make it happen tomorrow. She is ready for the thing today. Girl, she know the